53, my lord. Tagged up, my lord. A new entity has come, Tata has taken over. I have to substitute the.
Let the matter come, my lord.
They've not been tagged up, that's why I mentioned it. A file on 27, 2023 that I has not been tagged with.
Do one thing.
Item number 1.
But
Well,
it is adjourned
I-
Mortgage.
One.
Wait, please, this honorable court, I'm appearing through VC, my lords.
Yes.
Item number 1, crave leave to withdraw the petition. There's some incorrect particulars which have come in, so like need to file a better application.
Who wants to withdraw?
My lords,
Who wants to withdraw?
the university, my lords,
We want to
the
withdraw.
petitioner. I am for the petitioner, my lords,
You want
university.
to withdraw.
I want to withdraw the petition.
Okay, learn petitioner seeks to withdraw. In order to file better one.
Better application and correct particulars. Some incorrect particulars have come in inadvertently.
In order to file a better petition with better particulars. Okay, next.
Item number 2.
So blessed.
Two. Pass it. Next.
Item number 3.
Maybe, Madam Madam. Madam, challenging the order on the annexure pilot 10. Here the petitioner are continuing as Ganashikshak. They are made regularized with effect from 2017. They claim that they are to eligible regularized from 2014. And similar order, my lord, have already passed after disposal of the Supreme Court. I have also passed on a copy. They have rejected only on the ground that SLP is pending. After disposal of the SLP, my lord remanded the government for reconsideration. Last paragraph, kindly see here.
Okay.
My lord, same order, my lord.
Advocate name change कर दो.
May I submit? In this case, the order may be
I will supply. I am supply.
apply to me. I'll take instruction. Let it come next week. Your lordship can decide.
Just see that similar order has been passed earlier.
Only remanded.
Same order. You have lost in Supreme Court. Supreme Court
That
says
is-
go to the government
I know.
and approve the government. Now
Right.
I'm just doing the same thing.
Apply.
Next.
Item number 4.
4. Non-legal. Passing. Next.
Item number 5.
5. Passing.
Item number 6.
6, my lord, it's a land acquisition compensation.
Let me please. This is matter pertaining to land acquisition compensation. Let the matter be placed before the chief justice to assign that with the branch. Land acquisition compensation pakka na?
Pardon me.
Is the land acquisition compensation sure?
Sure. NHI is the
Item number 7.
Item 7 kindly pass over, lordship.
Pass.
Item number 8.
8.
Lordship, in item number 8, my lords, then on the last occasion, my lordship has raised the query that how the name of corporation bank has become Bank of Baroda. But my lords, in this case, initially he took loan from Corporation Bank in the year 2012.
I didn't
Subsequent,
ask such foolish question.
my lords,
I
it was,
didn't ask such foolish question.
my lords,
I said, see whether this particular bank is there or not.
yes, my lords,
Because many banks have been merged. Now you have different merged entity
yes, my
come up.
lords.
So whether this entity is correct or not, that I told.
It's correct, my
I
lords.
didn't say ki this is wrong. I didn't say wrong. So
Obviously.
just check it whether this entity, the corporation bank as an entity is still there or it has merged with some other bank.
My
If
lord,
we say it is merged with the Bank of Baroda, it's fine.
no,
problem.
no, my lords, it has merged with Union Bank of India.
Correct, so rectify your.
No, it is correct because Bank of Baroda has taken over the loan from Corporation Bank in the year 2014, my lords.
Correct,
Yes, my lords.
okay. So,
Notices may be issued. My lords.
okay. We should-
Published, my lords.
Single opinion.
POPs are there, my lords.
One, two, three, okay. Three, why collector?
My lords, one is the branch manager.
Why collector?
My lords,
Why collector is party?
my lords, now they may take, my lord, they have already taken over the physical possession from this person, my lords. But the
Then
physical,
at what, at this stage, what will do?
ma'am, my
At
lords,
this- At this stage, what shall I do?
no, my lords, we are not challenging that. We have just made him a party, my lords.
Okay, we should notice once. Next,
Item number 9.
9,
May I please, Your Lordship? This is the second journey to this honorable court, my lord. Earlier occasion, my lord has disposed of the case by targeting the case to complete the trial by the end of September. At that point of time, in the August 2022, my lord, only 8 witnesses were examined,
total quantity,
100 kilo.
100 kilo.
100 kilo, till date also no change in the witnesses, only same 8 witnesses has been examined.
He's only the driver and occupant.
Yeah. Let him go. 100 kilo, I have given to 300, 400 kilo, why 100 kilo person? will go? Okay, let him go. That's fine. He has been in custody since?
Since 2020, my lord.
Huh?
2020.
Tell me the date.
My lord.
30th August 2020.
30th August.
My lord.
He is in custody since 30th August 2022. So the petition, the trial, what is the stage of the trial?
Only 8 witnesses were examined
Out of?
17. In the last time when my lord disposed of, that was the same. 8
There
witnesses.
is no likelihood of completion of trial in near future. The petitioner has already spent more than 3 years in custody. What? The local man?
He is local man.
Next,
Item number 10.
10,
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord. My lord,
quantity,
my lord,
state come to the quantity.
608.600 kg.
my lord, 610.700.
610,
ମାନେ 610 କିଲୋ ମାଇଲଡ 8 ଜଣ ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ ମାଇଲଡ 2 ଜଣ ମାଇଲଡ ଆବସ୍କଣ୍ଡ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଇଏ 2020 ରୁ ଆରେଷ୍ଟ ହେଇକି ଜେଲରେ ଅଛି ମାଇଲଡ
date.
ମାଇଲଡ ଅନଡେଟେଡ 11/10/2022
Lawyer should be
ମାଇଲଡ 11/10/2022
in it brief.
ମାଇଲଡ 11/10/2022
11, 10,
22 ମାଇଲଡ 8 ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ ମାଇଲଡ
He's from Odisha or outside?
outside
Then I can't grant.
ମାଇଲଡ what happened mailor
Odisha, I could have, Odisha, I granted immediately.
mailor what happened mailor
Outsider, once you goes from here, then will never come.
mailor let me submit mailor 8 accused my lord
I am not going to all these things. In these cases, you need not give me the story.
mailor let me submit
I just get convinced.
mailor mailor let me
If you a local man, chances are more.
mailor let me submit
And the period of detention.
Mailor, let me
I consider 2 things.
mailor let me submit
I
mailor.
consider 2 things,
My
period
lord.
of detention and quantity as well as the local or the outsider.
Mailor
3 things are there. If I am convinced, I will grant it.
Mailor, let me
Nothing
submit.
else I see this.
mailor let me submit mailor 8 accused mailor 2 accused already
Why are you saying all these stories, sir?
mailor what
I am
happened
not
mailor
interested to see
mailor
the
what
story.
happened mailor in these things mailor ei jo maଙ୍କର 5ଟା ପିଲା 3ଟା ପିଲା
I
already
am
ମରି
not going
ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି
to see all these stories.
Mailor,
Are you
operation ହବ
telling
mailor
me the upanyas?
ମାନେ
This is not story, upanyas
ମାନେ
story.
interim ରେ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ବି ଯାଇନି My lord, this honorable court already granted.
This honorable court granted to many.
My lord, good. মানে
But
এই
but the
case রে।
problem is
এই case,
outsider I do
এই case
consider.
my lord,
order copy টা দিন।
মানে খালি interim।
କାହାକୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି?
In front of you, I have granted, you have seen.
My lord,
And this honorable
my lord,
court,
interim
this
তে।
court only grants such
My lord,
big
my
large quantity.
my lord,
I grant provided you satisfy me.
my lord,
I am not satisfied, I told you.
my lord 15 ଦିନ
Without
ପାଇଁ
you saying even, you are praying, I grant.
my lord operation ପାଇଁ ଟିକେ।
He came here for what?
My lord,
Extension of time.
my lord,
I granted well or not?
my lord
Just
যেটা
in front of you.
my lord court
He
যেটা হবনি
came
ଆଉ
here-
হবনি
he
court।
came here for extension of time. Because that for completion of
My-
time. I granted because he has already spent so much.
my lord
And he
15
is
ଦିନ।
local.
ମାନେ ମାଟା ବଞ୍ଚିଯିବ ସେଥିପାଇଁ।
ମା ବଞ୍ଚିଯିବ ଏଇ ସବୁ story ଶୁଣେଇବେ।
my lord ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଭାଇ।
ଏଇ-
my lord already government have direct instruction my lord।
No, sorry.
my lord
This is something, some other cases. Why are you showing this? This is a case of some other case. I mean, this is pertaining to some other case. Here is a 609 kg. I have granted.
my lord
Why I am not granting? Because of your
My lord,
outsider,
ଗୋଟେ-
once you go, you'll never come
my
back.
lord ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଜମା ବି ସେ ଯାଇନି ବେଲ ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରିମ୍ ଯାଇନି ଖାଲି ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରିମ୍ ବେଲ ଟା ପାଇଁ my lord ପ୍ରେସ୍ କରୁଛି ମୋତେ।
Interment କଣ
my lord 15 ଦିନ ପାଇଁ
କଣ ପାଇଁ?
my lord ଅପରେସନ ଟା ପାଇଁ ମାର ଅପରେସନ।
ବେଲ ଦଉନି, ଇଣ୍ଟରମେଲ ଦଉଛି।
ମାନେ ପୁଅ ତିନିଟାକ ମରି ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ପୁଅଟି ଅଛି ଖାଲି।
ମା କୁ ଯଦି ଏତେ ଭଲ ପାଉଛି ଯେ କାହିଁ
କଣ କରିବ?
ଗାଁଜା ଚାଲାଣ କରୁଛି କି?
ସେ କଣ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ ସେ ଡ୍ରାଇଭର ନେଇ
Ah,
my lord
one condition I can grant.
my lord
He has to give me sufficient 5 lakh rupees. Local surety 2 with 5 lakh.
5 lakhs କଣ ଦେଇପାରିବ କୋଉଠୁ ଆଣିବ my lord ଲୋକ ଗୁଡା
Once ପଳେଇଗଲା ନା ସେ ଆସିବନି।
my lord ଆସିବ।
କେତେ କେସ୍ ଆଇଲାଣି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି। I know, you know better than me.
my lord
In many cases they go, once go, they come.
ମାନେ ଟିକେ ଦୟା କରନ୍ତୁ।
ଗଲା ଯେ ଗଲା, ଏମିତି ଗଲା ଆଉ ଫେରିବା ନା
ନା, ନା।
ସେମିତି ହବ
my lord ଟିକେ ଦୟା
ହେଲା। ତେଣୁ ଆଉ କିଛି ନା ନା sorry.
my lord ଛୋଟଟେ my lord ଗୋଟେ my lord
ଏ କୋଉଠିକାର ଲୋକ?
my lord ହରିୟାଣା
ହରିୟାଣା।
ହରିୟାଣା।
my lord ଆସିବ my
ଓଡ଼ିଶା ପୋଲିସ ଗୁରୁ ଥିବ।
lord ଲାଷ୍ଟ ମାନେ 2020 ରୁ ଜେଲ ଭିତରେ ଅଛି my
ତ
lord
କଣ ରହିଲା? ଦୟା
ଖାଲି
କରୁଛି।
ଅପରେସନ ଟା କରିଦେଇକି ଆସିବ my lord।
ହଁ, ଇଏ ତ ଅପରେସନ କରିବ ଆଉ।
my lord ମାଟା ତିନି ପୁଅ ମରିଗଲେଣି my lord
ଆଉ କିଏ ଦେଖିବ?
my lord ଟିକେ
କଣ ହେଇଛି ତାର ମାର?
ମାର ମାନେ କିଡନୀ ଟା ବାହାରିବ ଗୋଟେ କିଡନୀ
କିଡନୀ ବାହାରିବ। କିଡନୀ କାହିଁକି ବାହାରିବ? କିଡନୀ କାହିଁକି ବାହାରିବ?
ଦଉନା
କିଡନୀ କାହିଁକି ବାହାରିବ?
ମାନେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଖରାପ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଗୋଟେ ଅପରେସନ ବାହାରିବ।
Outside state. So, what should be the condition? 5 lakh rupees surety.
ବହୁତ ହେଇଗଲାଣି madam।
2 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh ର ଆଉ ତଳକୁ ଖସି
2 ଲାଖ ଟିକେ କମିଗଲେ
2 lakh.
ହଉ madam
2 lakh. Agreeable? Okay, 2 lakh. Interim bill na?
my lord
नहीं, interim bill तो बड़ा cost. बाहर स्टेट लोगों को interim bill दो।
ଟିକେ madam କଣ କରିବା
Once
ପିଲା
ପଳେଇଲା ମାନେ ସେ ଆସିବ।
ନାଇଁ ଆସିବ my lord
ମୁଁ ତ ମେନ୍ ବେଲ୍ ଦେଇଦେବି, ଏମିତି କିଛି ନାହିଁ। କଥା ହଉଛି ସେ ଲୋକର ଇଏ
my lord ଥରେ ଗୋଟେ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରିମ୍ ଟେ ଯାଉ
ମେନ୍ ବେଲ୍ ରେ ଯାଅ। ମେନ୍ ବେଲ୍ ରେ ଯାଅ with 3 lakh rupees.
3
ହେଲା?
ଲାଖ
ମେନ୍ ବେଲ୍। 3 lakh rupees.
oblige
And any other condition as deemed fit proper by the court sanction of the matter.
oblige my lord
ତା ବାହାରେ ଯାହା condition ଦେଇପାରେ।
oblige my lord oblige my lord
But ପଳେଇଲେ will catch you.
my lord
ଯଦି ପଳେଇଲା
my lord
ଲେଖି ଦେଇଥା। If the petition doesn't end, Mr. Byomkesh Tripathi shall be held responsible.
ମୁଁ ଫସିଛି
ଆଉ
my lord ମୁଁ କୁଆଡେ ଯିବି ମୁଁ ତ ଏଇଠି ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ my lord ମୁଁ ଏଇ ବରଗଛ ତଳେ ବସିଛି ମୁଁ ଆଉ କୁଆଡେ ଯିବି
ଗଛ ତଳେ।
ଆଉ କୁଆଡେ my lord ମୋ ନାଁ ଟା ଟିକେ ଲଗେଇ
ସେମିତି ଆସେ କହିଦେଇଥା ତାକୁ ତମ
ମୁଁ
client।
କହିଦେବି ତାକୁ my lord
ଆଉ ନହେଲେ ତୋ ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଫସିବି।
my lord
ନହେଲେ ତୁ ନ ଆସିଲୁ ଦେଖିବୁ ତୋର କେହି ବଞ୍ଚି ପାରିବ।
my lord my lord
ନାଇଁ ଥରେ ସେ ଯାଉ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ରେ ଯାଉ ତାର କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ ଦେଖିବା ତାପରେ ଦେଖିବା।
my lord my
ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ରେ
lord
ଯାଉ for 1 month ହେଲା।
my lord
1 month.
my lord
1 month, your lordship may
1 month with same condition. 2 lakh 2 lakh
2 lakhs.
ହେଲା ଯାଅ ମାସେ ଦେଖିବା
My lord.
କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ ଟା।
May I pardon? Item 6. Item 6.
Item
6.
6 pass over is. ମଝିରେ ଆସିବନି sir, pass over ହେଲା ମାନେ ଆପଣ ପୁରା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସିବ ଡକା ହବ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆସିବ, ଆଉ ମଝିରେ ସବୁ not sorry. When the matter is called up, we are not there. So you wait. I'll call again. Huh? I have not dismissed, sir. I am just simply pass it over. We'll come when the password matter called up. That is after lunch. After lunch. Yes, after lunch. Ajay, do one thing. Just before around 12:30 you come.
My lord, serial number of 5. Pass over is next week, my lord.
Sir, 12:30. All password matter will come at 12:30.
5 serial may be urgent, my lord, next week. On behalf of TK.
5 टा कौन है?
Pass over is.
Urgent to लगी तो 16-17 के दे दे August. Next.
My lord.
Next.
Item number 11.
May I please, my lord, the petition is in custody since quantity from the present petitioner 40 kg 500. My lord has granted well 40 kg 20 ରୁ custody. Last week my lord was also granted.
Give me the order.
Your lordship will remember Kaudiya.
हाँ
Total.
Kaudiya.
हाँ का
रोहिला ने इतने Kaudiya ले कौन है?
Total quantity is 1688 kg.
समझते 40 किलो
This man how much?
40 किलो 500
In total मिलो.
From this man how much it was recovered?
40.
40 किलो 500
ଯେତେ ଥିବେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ recovery ତା ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ଡାଲି ଦବ ନା କଣ? ଯୋଉଟା ତା ମାଠିଆରୁ କେତେ ବାହାରିଲା ସେଟା ଦେଖିବ ନା।
40 କିଲୋ
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ
500
ମାଠିଆ ଆଣିକି ଗୋଟେ ଉପରେ ଦବ।
Obliged.
ଆଉ କେବଳ କାଉଡିଆ ହେଇକିରି ଏଇ ସବୁ କାମ କରୁନି। ଏଇ କାଉଡିଆ ଫ୍ୟାସନ ହେଇଗଲାଣି କାଉଡିଆ। 12.
My lord, one amendment petition has been filed to delete the name of the OP number 1. Amendment petition has been filed for amendment of the cost title.
So IRDA you have deleted the name. You have deleted the name of IRDA. You have deleted IRDA. Yes. Okay. Amendment petition allowed. Consider cost title you filed. There is notice. Okay. Next.
Item number 13.
My lord, item 13. My lord, item 13 is family pension matter. To file the regent but the instruction has not come yet.
Family pension.
My lord, last reserved time.
Why family pension is held up for such a long time?
Because he was never in a pensionable establishment, a job contract employee. The pension rules are not applicable.
So how we are asking for that?
One
If
date
you
for
are a
instruction.
job contractor, then how will you get pension?
No, my lord, they have filed the counter.
Forget the counter, you just explain me, sir. If you are a job contract employee, how will you get pension? Answer my question. If you can satisfy me, then I'll pass. Satisfy. Can a job contract employee seek for pension?
No, my lord.
Then how, on what basis you are claiming?
One date for instruction. Good date though, it can be
Instruction,
disposed.
but same thing. It's a legal question.
No.
Legal question. Can he claim for pension?
No, legally is not.
If he cannot claim for pension, then how are you?
I'll go through the counter and file the regent if any.
You want to file regent?
No.
Okay, Lord Constable petitioners to file regent. This is the matter on 10th August. This is the one question. If you satisfy this on this question,
Yes, madam.
it will be granted. But if you don't fail to satisfy, then nothing can happen. Next.
14.
14, I have no instruction.
14 no instruction. Next.
15.
15, my lord, you have to file the substitution. Petitioner has died in the meantime.
What is the issue? 16 matter. Okay, Lord Constable petitioners to take instruction. Say the petitioner has died in the meantime.
Payment of grade pay and DA, my lord.
Huh?
Payment of grade pay and DA.
Grade pay.
My lord.
4th September. Next.
16.
16.
May I please? This case, my lord, there is a noting
they did not beg from OP5, but I think all the opposite parties are state. They can appear. And the case is, my lord, the state government in the school and mass education department has issued a notification and consequentially a advertisement to fill up the post of Shiksha Sahayak throughout the state, pursuant to which we have applied and I have also been selected. Whereupon, but after the completion of the first selection, we are in the second waiting list to get an appointment. In the meantime, my lord, the SC/ST development department sought for a requisition from the government to take some persons from this list to their schools, in ashram schools, because they have their own establishments, that sevashrams in tribal welfare department. Some persons have been sponsored and including our name, but we have objected because they say if you are not going there, you are losing your turn in the select list. But they have gone for a third list, and third list persons were appointed in the school and mass education department. So my prayer here in this case, since the juniors in our total panel have been retained in the school and mass education, we are to be retained because we have applied for school and mass education, we have been selected for that. We should not be pushed to this SC/ST development department. The reason is, my lord, now we are facing difficulty, though we have joined there without prejudice to our claim. We are not getting any of the facilities what is available in the school and mass education. Our friends are now in the level 3 of the services. There is a promotion, my lord. Initially, they enter into the matric city post, thereafter headmaster of the level 4, thereafter level 3 is a 10 graduate post. We have the qualification, but we are still continuing in matric city. We have been approaching the authorities to send back to our parent cadre where we have been selected, but no counter in this case. No answer.
What is your basic grievances? You want to come back?
Yes, we want to come back in the school. We will continue in our school and mass education department. We should be forced to continue in a department to which we have never applied.
What is the usual mode of selecting for this ashram school? It is a separate.
Ashram, they are separate one.
Separate.
Yes, the department is separate.
Then on what basis they have?
They collector send some requisition. You have got a select list. You send some person, and they have recommended our name. That is the difficulty we are facing. We have never applied for. And in this unemployed manner, when they force us, if you would not have accepted that moment, we have filed it. This is a case of immediately we have filed this case, but we would have lose our job. But subsequently, when we have requested the third batch of students,
you have filed the reply.
No counter.
No, I filed the counter also.
File it. What is the reason for that?
My lord, they entered into an agreement.
Just a minute.
I'll give a counter. I'll just submit.
Is there any agreement?
Yes. There is an undertaking. Not only this is an undertaking.
Sir, if you say if you don't go there, you will lose your job. Marta kya na karta? Bechara to sign
Number third point, Uji.
Just hold on. If that is under coercion, you can say this is a coercion. Nothing but coercion. If you say yes, if you don't go there, you will not get the job. Then you will
There's
go.
nothing, and moreover, the most important point is they are perimetria to whatever is happening in school and mass. There is a resolution to that effect which I have annexed. I'll give that. Not only that, their promotional avenues are the same as Shiksha Sahayakas. There is no difference between them except for the fact that they are SC/ST departmental change and they have gone to school and mass. The response same. In fact, they have been promoted twice. Just as Shiksha Sahayakas have been promoted after 6 years of service regularized, they have also been regularized. Now
what is the scale there? In under which level they are now? Level 1, 2, 3. Which level they are?
We are still in level 5.
Their date of regularization is 27/1/2020. They have been declared as junior teacher.
That is no issue.
As level 6 pay matrix ORS.
So we have been regularized. We have been appointed on which date?
Their appointed date of joining is 24/1/2014.
24/1/2014.
They have been declared as junior teacher from 24/1/2017. They have been regularized from 24/1/2020 after 6 years of completion of service.
If they are in 2020,
that is not
they
the
are
issue.
regularized.
That is
they right.
No, regularization is not the issue here, man.
No. Regulation. See, at the same time, you suppose you are regularized in the 2020. Obviously, it means level 6. How can you extract
that rule available for the school and mass education, that is called the elementary cadre rule 1997. That is not there.
Do one thing.
My lord.
now give a comparative chart of both.
Yes, I will give. What is the rule? I'll file everything.
Promotional avenue.
Yes,
How many how many years it takes to go to the next level, and how many days in the next level.
Yes, yes.
So
Okay.
that
I'll
will be a
give. Yes,
comparative
I'll
chart.
give. Let him
And-
solve a copy of the counter.
I'll
I'll.
Give a count. Okay. I give a comparative chart so that.
Yes, yes, I can give.
Okay. Okay, next. Let it come on 22nd August.
Second of
22nd.
22nd.
Next.
Item number 17.
My lord, item 17 is a promotion matter, challenge the gradation list, my lord. Last order, it was directed to file the counter. Till now, counter has not been filed.
Counter. There. What is the issue?
No, no, my counter 9, counter
What
5.
is the issue? Yeah.
Challenge the gradation list, my lord. Yes, yeah.
I'll file a counter.
Lord Council
Sini
of the
person,
State
both
will
in
file
a
the counter. It is last chance.
Okay.
Lord Council of the State is given 4 weeks time to file the counter. Is the matter on 1st September. Next.
18.
18.
My lord. My lord, 18 is a promotion matter, counter is not filed.
Time order. 19.
19.
The petition is Jogana Soyako. That's why I'm from opposite party number 5, prefer an adjournment.
Huh?
Prefer an adjournment
Why?
because Mr. Manas Chand who is conducting.
ମୁଁ କାହା କଥା ଶୁଣିବିନି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ପିଟିସନର କହନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ ତାପରେ ଦେଖିବା ଆପଣ ସେମିତି ବି ଆପଣ ସିଲେକ୍ଟେଡ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ ନା ସିଲେକ୍ଟେଡ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ
No, I am for opposite party number 5, Sarpanch, who has
ସରପଞ୍ଚ ବସନ୍ତୁ ସରପଞ୍ଚର କାମ ବେଶୀ ନେଇ ବସନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିବା
So my lord had
ସରପଞ୍ଚ
asked for
କିଛି ଥିବ ବୋଲେ ପଚାରିବି ମୁଁ
instructions.
ହେଲା
6, 7, my lord had asked for instructions regarding what is the mechanism for disengagement of Jogana Soyako.
yes
That instruction I'm awaiting.
your file
Asking.
Lekha.
Give me 2
Lord
weeks, my
Council
lord.
State is directed to file a detailed affidavit regarding the mechanism for disengagement of this Jogan Soyaka. And he is also directed to file the detailed procedure for disengagement, if any, misconduct or any kind of dereliction of duty is found amongst the candidates, amongst the you and so on. Who is the cadre control, cadre the nahi aanga.
Cadre nahi.
Who is the disciplinary authority in case in case of any kind of misconduct or dereliction. এটা তার ডিটেল এফিডেভিট ফাইল করিবে ହେଲା କିଏ କରିବ don't leave everything to the village sarpanch.
No,
Sarpanch will do you know what they are very well. So you at least your block level, your maybe your video,
most probably video, I'll find out.
Not less than a person of video
Okay.
rank should do that. And if you start giving the charge to the Gram Sabha and the Sarpanch, then you'll never get, people will never get justice.
Okay.
They'll never do justice. On the other hand, it is also true that the allegation most of the time are not wrong actually. Many a time allegation are not wrong. But the method of removing them should be proper. Next.
My lord,
List the matter on 24th August. Next.
20.
Lordship, item 20, I am on VC Lordship.
Which on this?
Lordship, in fact, I am on VC Lordship, item 20. Lordship.
In this case, we have Mr. Das appearing, my lord. See, he has already filed the counter affidavit, my lord.
Yes, yes, very short point, it can be discussed, Lordship. Let us come to page 31 of their
ଏଇଟା
counter.
ଟିକେ ରଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଫାଇଲଟା ତ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି ଲଞ୍ଚ ପରକୁ ରଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Yeah, 12:45. Hala?
my lord.
Tell him 12.
Lordship, that's it.
Item 21.
20?
1. Item number 21.
Appears pass over.
22.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, based on the direction of the lordship, I have corrected the cause title and filed the requisites for the issue the notice. Already order dated 9th November 2022. But till today, the noting says he has not appeared.
Nobody has appeared.
My lord.
Lord Counsel, the petitioner is directed to file a fresh, to take fresh step to serve on the opposite party. Hala? Outside
Through police station, my lord.
after the local police station.
My lord.
Not police station, not proper.
Hello.
The service allowed, na? Take fresh step.
My second time that was issued. Second time notice was issued.
After a time,
My lord, special messenger, my lord.
unless this man,
Because the award passed.
unless this, let's see. Does this service allowed like that? Does this service allowed? You pay the dusty amount, rest, take the dust. That's
No
it.
problem.
Next,
23,
Yes, my lord, I am for the petitioner. I am filing the rejoinder today.
what is the issue, sir?
My lord, they have debited my loan account, the Mr. PVTS Sastri. He was AGM of the Indian Bank at Bhubaneswar main branch. He has debited my account on various occasions. Page number 121, my lord, in the WPC.
What
Read
they
petition.
have they filed anything?
My lord,
Yeah, everybody.
yeah, my,
Yeah, for the bank,
my for myself, my assist.
Yeah, for the insurance, who's for the insurance company? Insurance company में की अच्छी?
No, sir, insurance company will not pay. So they have, he has illegally debited the
Oh,
account.
sorry, Indian bank, sorry.
Yes, yes, my lord. So,
Who is appearing for Indian bank?
no, for the banks, no one has appeared.
Huh?
For the bank, no one has appeared.
Huh? No one appears for the opposite party. List the matter on 10th.
My lord, I am filing the rejoinder.
You filed a agenda.
My lord, I want they have issued a surface notice against me.
Sir, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ?
Sir,
They will do
interim
that. I
stay.
can't stop surfacing notice, sir. I
in-
don't have power to stop surfacing notice.
My
Surfacing
amount,
notice can only be done by the this
DRT.
DRT.
My amount, my account, they have debited and it is proved in the CBI.
Unless the bank comes, I can't decide the case. Unless they come.
It is proved by the CBI, my
Sir,
lord.
I'm not disputing that whatever you are saying. Only thing is let the bank come, we'll see. Let the bank come. So bank council को जाने दिया तो से next time रे appear करिए, है ना?
My lord, 13-4 issue कर देवे.
कॉलम में कौन करिए सर? मैं किसी को 1 quarter power नहीं 13-4 होगी 13 already 13 हो ही सालानी.
मोरी पैसा को
वहाँ
डेबिट
में
करके.
मुझे कुछ कर नहीं. Unless they come.
It is proved by CBI, my lord.
I
Proved
can't
by
say
CBI.
prove CBI करूँ कि ED करूँ. I can't say. Unless they come, I can't pass any order. Let them come. I can't. This court can't protect you. Sorry. You have. I don't have the power.
My lord.
Next.
24,
Short date. 7th August.
Sir.
ଆପଣ intimate କରନ୍ତୁ ସେ council କୁ କହନ୍ତୁ.
Counter दे दो जी sir 7.
हाँ,
7th.
7th August. Next.
24,
24.
Well, I am for the Mr. Ashok Mahathi, senior advocate, is appearing on behalf of the opposite party number
No,
153.
the both side nobody there.
Mr. Mahathi requested me to make a prayer for Passover.
Passover ଆଜି ହବନି
Petition
sir.
council lies.
Passover ଆଜି ହବନି କାହିଁକି because I have in second half I am not going to.
Next one.
Yeah.
Next week Monday.
पक्का ना? ओहो मैं जान नहीं.
Passover में ना?
Next.
25,
My lord, I am for the petitioner.
My lord, I am for the opposite party bank. 2 weeks time may be given for counter, my lord.
Why not the notice issued?
Pardon, my lord.
Notice was issued on which date? You are the
On behalf of
associate-
Mr. B.V. Balkrishna.
Ralakrishna. Okay. When was the notice issued? Notice टा कब issue थी? Let her file this. What is your name?
I am for OP 1 and 2, my
What
lord.
is your name?
My name is Rajalakshmi Biswal.
Appearing on behalf of Mr. Devi Balakrishna. Request for 2 weeks time
Yes.
to file the counter.
Yes.
This is the matter on 16th August.
Okay. Okay.
26.
26.
May I please the lordships? My lord, this is the fourth round of litigation, my lords.
यार 4th 5th मत बोलो
Yes,
क्वेश्चन में आ जाओ सीधा straight come
Yes, my lord. The petitioner was absent from 10/8/2011 till 15/8/2011, my lords, without taking permission from the authorities, my lords. That's why he was disengaged, my lords.
you are for
My lord, I am the petitioner, my lords.
you are saying what what is the post?
My lord, I was working as a Anganwadi worker, my lord.
Anganwadi worker, right?
Yes,
This
my
is
lord.
a schematic post.
Okay.
And how many days you remain absent?
5 days, my lords.
5 days.
Yes, ma'am. Because I was suffering from chikungunya, and I had in the SOCOs I have given, my lords.
You have not intimated to the authority.
Yes, my lords. In Annex 10, we have given, my lord. We have intimated, my lord.
Here you know that
My lord,
the
my
job itself is a very
At
fragile.
the time of epidemic, she
It's,
was not
condition is
performing her duty,
fragile.
my lord.
My lord, may kindly have a glance. I am submitting a judgment of our Honorable Supreme Court, my lord.
Sir, judgment में क्या रखा है? पहले facts तो दिखाओ.
My lord, the absence was not willful, my lord. She was
So
suffering.
what does the Supreme Court judgment say?
My lord's absence from duty without any application or prior permission may amount to unauthorized absence, but it doesn't always mean willful.
So, but it does not always mean here in your case, how do you say that is not willful?
Maybe different eventualities due to which an employee may abstain from duty, including compelling
First
circumstances.
of all, your condition said that may be a case for a permanent employee. But your condition, you are in a schematic job, and there is job condition is clearly states that if there is any unauthorized absence, they may force, they will just disengage you without even signing any reason or giving any notice also. So if that is the case, what can be done?
That's illness is not in my control, my lords. It's beyond my control.
So application देवा तो अपन control नुए application की देवा.
My lord, I was admitted in the
Not say
hospital.
not in my control. No fever is anybody's control.
My lord,
काहा को रोग हवा काहर control न था. That is true. Nobody can dispute your statement. But is it not your control to give an application?
on 16th I gave when I came.
When did you give? After after suffering is over.
After I was discharged, I gave the application, my lord.
You should have sent through somebody else.
My lord, I sent through my husband, but they didn't accept it, my lords.
Did you send?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you send?
Yes, my lords.
Okay, you should not.
In this case, my lord, at the time of epidemic, she was not performing her duty, my lord. Though sufficient opportunity has given to the person concerned, the present petitioner, as to why you have not joined over telephone, over writing, in both way, where the CDPO intimated the fact to the present petitioner, my lord. She didn't bother. Thereafter, after issuance of second show cause, she appeared and filed the show cause reply, my lord, even the reply. And the appointing authority duly considered her application and passed the reasoned order that the disengagement is right one, my lord. Thereafter, what happened, my lord? She participated in the second selection process. And after got disqualified in the second selection process, now he's saying that I may be adjusted in the first where she was been disengaged, my lord. How it is possible? You have participated in the second.
My lord, in the second, we have challenged that appointment, my lords. That advertisement.
Challenge that what can be done? This can be considered. Sorry,
my lords. But in that case, stay was granted, my lords. In that
where second, I have nothing to do with the second. I am in this first one. Yes, this is the first one.
My lords, this is the fourth one, my lords. Fourth writ application.
तुम लोग काम किसी नहीं डेली खाली आसिक रिपोर्टेशन फाइल करूछ एते काम हो जे खेत गुडा सब खाली पडुची चाष बास कले होंदा फालतू आ केते कन धंदा अछि गां रे ए पछे दौड़ी दौड़ी खाली रिपोर्टेशन आफ्टर रिपोर्टेशन फाइल कर जाती हराकोट ब्लॉक गढ़ दामोदर पल्ली अंगनवाड़ी the petitioner is challenging the
Order of the collector, my lord, disengagement.
Which order?
8/7/2012, Annex 13, my lords.
Annex 13, my lord.
So why have you not written in the prompt by this preambular paragraph? You should have written everything. How many years will take to just know these rudimentary things for writing, you're drafting the your read petition?
No, it's there, my lords. An
The
application.
first paragraph itself we should. The petitioner being agreed by and distributed with the order passed by the OP number 2 on data, this one, 18/7.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, then it's challenges the order dated 18/7/2012. 2012.
Yes.
कितने दिन पर challenge करती?
My lords.
Huh?
No, we have petition of 2012 also, my lords.
It is 2012.
Yes, my lords.
कितने दिन पड़ी सीटा? मैं एवरेज डिसाइड करेंगे. और okay. 2012. The grievance of the petitioner is that she was serving as an Anganwadi worker for the Center for Gad Damodar Palli under Dharakot Block, District Ganjam since 29/3/2003. The petitioner was served with a show cause notice dated 16/8/2011, alleging therein for her negligence of duty and unauthorized absence from when to when?
10/8/2011.
10/8/2011 to
15/8/2011.
15/8/2011. The counsel of the petitioner submits that the petitioner was suffering from chikungunya.
Yes, my lord.
Hence, he could not. Hence, she had sent an application through her husband. However, the authority did not accept it. Full stop. And after getting recovery from fever, he joined the.
And they didn't allow to join, my lords.
He went to join.
Yes.
He went to join the Anganwadi, joined at the Anganwadi center. However, she was not allowed to perform her duty. Full stop. Tapare? Kondu?
My lords, thereafter,
Whatever you say, everything will be recorded. Don't worry. What is the next point?
my lords, thereafter she filed a grievance petition, my lords. That was not considered, my lords.
Thereafter, she filed a grievance petition before. Before that, you don't know.
With the authorities, my lord.
Ke seda authority?
CDPO, my lord. CDPO.
Before the CDPO. And the said grievance petition is also
Not considered, my lords.
not considered. Full stop. Learn counsel for the state now.
We have issued the first show cause.
The learn counsel for the state submits that the first show cause what was issued to the petitioner
On
on
16/8/2011, my lord.
16/8/2011.
My lord. Sorry, 12/8/2011.
No, that is a petition application for the petition.
12/8.
12/8.
But she didn't reply the same.
Just that is problem.
My counter affidavit, page 3.
Okay, so cause on
12/8/2011.
8/2011. She was issued so caused for her unauthorized absence.
Unauthorized absent, also distribute the low quality of
And
food-
also for
distribute low quality of foods, my lord, food items.
for distributing the low quality of food items to the children,
My lord.
right? Okay, next.
Thereafter, she didn't reply for the replied this so cause issued by the authority, my lord. Then second so cause was issued on
Sorry, the petitioner chose not to reply to the said show cause.
then second so cause was issued on 16/8/2011.
Then the authority issued the second show cause on
16/8/2011.
16/8/2011.
Because of the unsatisfactory answer, reply, the authority has disengaged the present petitioner. My lord.
And then the petitioner replied to the second sukas. He replied to the second sukas.
19 দেলে।
Huh?
19 19/8
Bide had replied at
19/8 2011.
which was quite unsatisfactory, which is found to be unsatisfactory by the authority, leading to her disengagement, which led to her disengagement. Good stuff. Okay, next point. Now I have put the fact.
When the grievance was not taken into consideration, my lords, the petitioner filed a writ application bearing 29604 of 2011, my lords.
What is the writ application? How did?
In that case, the direction was given to consider the grievance of the petitioner, my lords. A direction was given to consider the grievance of the petitioner, my lords.
Okay, tapre?
My lords,
Then the petitioner then challenges the disengagement.
Yes, my lord.
BD writ petition number
29604 of 2011.
29604
604
of 2011,
my lords.
which was disposed of by this court on
2/11/2011, my lords. 22/11/2011.
22/11/2011,
my lords.
11. State with an order that the authority should consider her
Grievance.
Tapare?
But in the meanwhile, they published an advertisement for
In the
appointment.
he further submits that in the meanwhile they published an advertisement.
For appointment in the said post, my lords.
Where is that advertisement annexer?
Was that not given, my lords? It was challenged in writ appeal number 577.
Annexer lage na thi?
It's a thing and one.
Okay. So in the meantime, a fresh advertisement was issued on
15/11/2011, my lords.
अरे ठीक करी को 5/15 कोड को
15/11/2011.
15/11/2011
my lords.
and the petitioner participated in the said selection
process, but found to be ineligible.
Found to be ineligible. Now at this juncture, this petitioner has come forward.
My lords, in the writ appeal, my lords, this court to give direction that appointment should not be done, my lords. Selection procedure must be completed, but appointment must not be given, my lords. In the writ appeal.
Selection completed, appointment not given. So कौन है तावरे?
My lords, but in the meanwhile, they appointed opposite party number.
So what are you doing here? In this writ petition, what are you challenging?
My lord, thereafter again I filed a writ petition.
अरे यार तुम writ petition कितना file
collector
first disengagement order टाकू challenge करते हैं या फिर पूरे लेनी second, third, fourth.
First disengagement order. So like
এটা infructuous.
Considering the fact that the petitioner has already participated in the subsequent advertisement, in the selection process arising out of the subsequent advertisement, the petitioners, the writ petition filed by the present writ petition filed by the petitioner is infructuous and dismissed. 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 Next.
27.
27. ये confusion. मुझे लगे तुम lawyer माने वैसे confuse करो बोली. ये कौन है lawyer बुद्धि है तो ऐसा कर दे. 27.
I accept the opinion number 3.
Reparation is pura perfect.
Yes,
I am
also
for
OP
opinion number 3. I am not petitioner.
Oh, not for petitioner.
I am opinion number 3.
ଆଉ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ଲାଗିବ ଏଟା କିଏ ପିଟିସନର କିଏ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଓପି ନମ୍ବର 3 ଟା କିଏ
is the next selected candidate.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଓପି ନମ୍ବର 3 କିଏ ସେ କହିବେ ଆପଣ ଓପି ନମ୍ବର 3 ବାଲା ମୁଁ ଏମିତି ମୁଁ ଜାଣେନି ଆଉ ମୁଁ ବାର ବାର ସବୁଥିରେ ଓପି ଦେଇକିରି ସେ ମେମୋ ପାର୍ଟିକୁ ମୁଁ ଯାଇ ପାରିବିନି
Sir, I
ଆପଣ
am
ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ କହିବେ ମେମୋ ଓପି ନମ୍ବର 3 is a selected candidate କି ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ ରେସ୍ପଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ କଣ ଗୋଟେ କହିବେ ନାଇଁ ଓପି ନମ୍ବର 3 କଲେ ଚୁପ ପଡିଦେବେ ତାପରେ କିଏ ସେ କହିବେନି
my opinion number 3 is selected
ହଁ
candidate
ସେ କହିବେ ନା ପୁରା ଆଉ
and that has been by honest sir.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ବାଇଟ୍ ପଛରେ
No, subsequently, the OP number 3 was subsequently selected, my lord. First, the petitioner was selected by using a forged mark sheet, my lord. Forged certificate. So after verification, when it found that the petitioner produced the forged mark sheet and forged certificate, thereafter the disengagement order was passed by the sub collector, and against also the ADM also passed for criminal take the criminal action against the present petitioner, the Ranjula Taswani.
ନେଲା ନା ନେଇନି
हाँ सी ता नारे क्रिमिनल एक्शन हैला अंकु बतन ये नेक्स्ट सिलेक्शन कैंडिडेट सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट ये जेतु सेकंड हाईएस्ट मार्क आकर दिला
ଏ ଯାଏ ପାଇନା
देखियो गले आंकर होची हाईएस्ट मार्क
2013 ରୁ ବସିଛନ୍ତି ଯଦି ଆପଣ କେସ୍ କରିଥିଲେ କୋର୍ଟ କଚେରୀ ଚାଲିଛି ସେ ଜାଗାରେ କେହି ଏପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇନାହାନ୍ତି
सर हेइथिबो मु तापर टी इंस्ट्रक्शन नै
Take instruction,
ये
ତାହେଲେ
में
କାଶ ପଦ
न और सार भी टी इंस्ट्रक्शन नै जन ताको क्लाइंट
ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ବେଟର ନେଇ ପାରିବେ ତାର କାଶ ଦ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଟୁ ଟେକ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ରିଗାର୍ଡିଂ ଦ ସ୍ଟାଟସ୍ ଅଫ ଦ present the which what is the
Status of the engagement of opposite party not 3.
एटा आनिबी महाकाल पड़ा
अंगनवाड़ी
अंडर सीडीपीओ महाकाल पड़ा
अंडर सीडीपीओ अंगनवाड़ी वर्कर अंडर सीडीपीओ महाकाल पड़ा अरे टाइम नहीं बाहर पिटिशनर नहीं आज
ना
आज तो से डिस्कस कर दिया आपण कंटिन्यू करछथि
मु सेटा मु इंस्ट्रक्शन नै
आपण जणा नहीं हे प्रभु हाउ the petitioner and the state to take instruction regarding the status of the case place the matter on 5th September जाओ आसो आराम से कौन केस करछन प्लान को टिक पचारन पूर्व रात्रि टिक फोन कर पचारिबेनी केसटा कोन आइछि तू कलु ना कि से अपॉइंटमेंट पाइछि तू पचारिबेनी हां के जिन केस लागला पहुंचे आसी खाली नेक्स्ट
28
May I please your lordship?
yes
I am for the OP5, the selected candidate.
OP5 is the petitioner
I am not the petitioner, I am the OP5.
ये भी 2015 मैटर एटा कोन अछि
इधर मते कॉपी नहीं मोबाइल
हां
मोबाइल कॉपी नहीं
से कॉपी दे दिया हार्ड कॉपी दिया
My lord, I have also no instruction neither from my late senior.
मु तो एबे डिसमिस करबी नॉन प्रेजेंट बोली डिसमिस कर दे गला बते एते कथा कोड आइला जाबड़ क्लाइंट यदि जब लागि थिबो कंटिन्यू करू मु डिसमिस कर दी गला दे दियो कॉपी दे पास ऑर्डर लिख लो अंतर रीजनल सब फाइल चाहिए कौन देखो none appears for the petitioner since the matter has been pending since 2015 and there have been a lot of adjournments on different pretexts by different parties full stop
तेरे भी शो कोस तंग दिया हैथला he has not appeared number of occasions so कुछ बजे
Eddie, I'm not going to all this. Full stop. It appears from the files that the pleading is complete. Insofar as government response is concerned, the counter affidavit filed by OP number 4 reflects that the petitioner has appeared before the collector, OP number 2, Collector Balesar on 8/1/2014, pursuant to the order passed by this court, order dated 17/12/2013, passed by this court in the petition civil number 27561 of 2013.
an ample opportunity was given by the collector, ma'am, but she
And the
didn't
collector
appear.
has given sufficient opportunity, but he has appeared like
नहीं यदि paragraph
A 9 देखो 9. It is not a fact that the petitioner Mamata Rajana has appeared before. Acha, she has not appeared.
नहीं, it
right.
is a fact that the petition was absent on 22 तापर पुणे date fix ହେଲା 28/5 को दीटा
Yeah.
date रे से absent रहला.
And the petitioner, despite ample opportunities were granted to the petitioner has failed to appear before the collector,
Authority.
which is reflected in para 10 of the counter affidavit. Hence, the plea taken by the petitioner in the present writ petition is totally baseless. Because if the state also submits that sufficient opportunities were given to the petitioner for hearing and she has not rise to the occasion and failed to appear before the Collector Balesar. In view of the above, this court is of the view that the petitioners, the grounds taken by the petitioner in the writ petition are devoid of any merit, hence dismissed. Give your name and
Bhakti Sudha Sahu,
OP number.
OP number 5.
OP number 5, Bhakti.
Bhakti Sudha Sahu.
Bhakti Sudha. Yes, miss, next.
29.
29.
The opposite party number 7, your lordship filed a counter. State has not filed counter, but as it is appears from the counter from OP number 7, the A/7 annexure is not visible.
You file the counter.
Only one question I am for the OP number 7. Only one question used to be decided before my lord. Whether the petitioner belongs to the service area or not. That is the only point.
That is the only, most
Yes.
of the cases, that is the point.
Yes.
So what is the document?
Man,
suggest?
the state, I have filed the counter narrating everything. State has nothing to say because only they have advertised the advertisement showing that the particular fixing that is the service area is belongs from the area from house of Balaram Sahu to from Natha.
My law and friend is in under misconception.
Okay, you clarify the concept, right conception, show me that.
Your lordship may kindly see annexure 1 for a moment.
Dispel the misconception.
Annexure 1. Page 19. But the Anganwadi area, my lord, jurisdiction is, your lordship may kindly see serial number 19. Serial number 19. 19 page 19 of my writ application.
90, page 19, no areas. Kadali Badi.
My lord.
Kadali Badi and Kadali Badi 6.
Kadalwadi 6 yes.
Bodo say.
Kadali Panchayat now is Kadali Badi, Anganwadi Kedar now is Kadali Badi 6.
6.
Ah.
Mal the Bodosahi ward number 1. Pura Sampurno.
Kadali Badi 6. Bodasai 101.
Ward number 1. Kadodi Bodosahi ward number 1 and 2 ର ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ତାମାନେ
1 2 ର ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଆଉ 3 ର କିଛି ଅଂଶ
ତିନି ର କିଛି ଅଂଶ।
ପାର୍ଶ୍ୱ ବଳରାମ
Right.
Yes, Balaram sir, that is the important. That is the important.
It is not one. You lordship may kindly see or you will- the finding of the court is that
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ କୋଉଟା ଅଛି
again 2 ର this is the finding of the appellate, that is the appellate court. The I belong to ward number 2.
ଆପଣ କୋଉ କିଏ ଫାଇଣ୍ଡିଂ କରିଛି ସେଟା
Ward number 2 ର ଆମେ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛୁ ତହସିଲ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେଇଛି 1 number 2 ର ଆମେ ଇଏ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଆମେ
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଦି ଜଣ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ କାଲି କେମିତି କହିବି
the conception
ସିମ୍ପଲ କଥା କିଏ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି
ମୁଁ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି 2016 ରୁ
ଆପଣ ଚାଲିଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଚାଲିଛି ତ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
you
ଆପଣ
lordship
ପିଟିସନ ତାହେଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଅଲଗା ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମାନେ they have the order terminate
the appellate court found that I belong to ward number 2 but quashed the advertisement. So I have challenged that order. The total advertisement was quashed.
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ ଆଡଭାର୍ଟାଇଜ ପାଇଲେ ଆଉଥରେ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ 16 ବର୍ଷ 2016 ରୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଚାକିରି କରିଛି ଆଡଭାର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟ କେମିତି କ୍ୱାସ ହବ
ଅର୍ଡର ଚାଲିଲେ ଦେଖିଲେ
Relevant person page 46.
ମାନେ ଅଛି
Page 46 your lordship may kindly see. Page 46 page 46 relevant person.
page 46
your lordship
That is specification is there.
your lordship
come to the order first sir.
Yes,
your lordship
let's see the order
yes
page 46 the relevant person I am placing below para 2 after as per report lordship got it
page 43
46
starts from 43
start from relevant person.
Okay.
As per the report of the Tahsildar Banki so and so, as approved in BLCC and as published in the notification letter so and so, differs from each other. But the relevant, but the specification, the house of both the BLCC register and notification remains same. That is in the southern side from the house of Balaram Sahu.
Now who is the highest scorer?
Highest scorer is no doubt she is the highest scorer. But she not belongs to the area that is in the house of Balaram Sahu to Tilochan Nath. That is my question. That has been reported. That's why
that is not required.
Yes, that is
not required because I belong to
my lord.
But I belong to ward number 2, so that part is not required at all.
As per the report of Tahsildar
Yes.
Banki,
Yes.
service area of Kadali Badi 6 AWC as approved in BLCC and is published in the notification dated 17/10/2016 of CDP of Banki
Yes.
differs from
each other. But
the specification of house in both the BLCC register and notification remains the same.
That is
In southern side from the house of Balram Sahu to the house of Tilochan Nath.
yes, that is the service area. So if my learned friend will show any document that his house is within that area, that is the house between Balaram Sahu and Tilochan Nath, I have no case. The lordship may kindly allow the
But it is not required because I belong to ward number 2. So it is the person who is in ward number 3.
And since
your
there is a
lordship,
fault
also.
in the advertisement, the learned adium should
Your lordship may visualize
specifically
one
state-
thing.
ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଦି ଜଣ କଲେ ମୁଁ କେମିତି କହିବି
But since
ଆପଣ କହନ୍ତୁ।
but since
I am
the
sorry.
learned ADM found that the advertisement is a faulty one because though there is a specification of the house from which area the service area is concerned, but advertisement says that it's a total area of ward number 1 and 2 and part area of 3. That is the faulty. That's why the IDM directed, no, you have to cancel the advertisement and my lord.
Therefore, my lord, my humble submission before lordship is
okay ତାପରେ
My lord, your lordship kindly see. That's why I am placing that the relevant portion of the order. It was found that all the houses from the house of Balaram Sahu to the house of Tilochan Nath are situated in one side, village main road, and the house of the respondent number 4. My lord says page 46.
46
46.
On
Your
the
Lord-
spot verification.
No, 46 below, page
only
46.
spot verification say to
As per the report of Tahsildar Banki Swenson, published in notification Swenson, specifically house in the house BLC register notification remains the same in the southern region north. On spot verification,
Yes,
they
on
found
spot.
that all the houses from the house of Balram south to the house of the north are situated
Once
on one side of the village, main road, and the house of respondent 4
is situated on the other side of the road. Respondent 4 is the present petitioner.
Okay,
In the Anganwadi appeals, he was the respondent number 4.
it comes under service, Kazali Wadi 1.
Yes.
You comes under 1.
One,
Yes,
that
he's
it is
coming-
coming under the jurisdiction, your lordship. Your lordship may come to advertise
But
that,
as per
that is the
service- As
misconception.
per service, see, there is a confusion, there is a, if there is.
Advertisement is confusing one.
No.
That's why next para, next
Here,
page,
please.
page
Your
47.
lordship may pause there. Your lordship may pause there. That portion. That my learned friend has read now, 46. Then your lordship may come to. Are situated one on-site village main road and the house of respondent number 4 is situated on the other side of the road which comes under the service area of Anganwadi, Khadalibadi 1 at Anganwadi center. But as per the service area specified in the advertisement, the house of Nivedita respondent number 4 belongs to ward number 1. Your lordship may come to
That's why
advertisement. Yeah, please. Your lordship may come to advertisement now. Advertisement page 19. Your lordship may come to page 19. And ward Bodosahi, ward number 1, 2 ra Sampurna. I belong to ward number 1.
That is the
I am
dispute.
coming
That
under
is the
the
dispute.
jurisdiction.
My-
Where is
That's
the
why
dispute?
the Lord and ADM directed this is advertisement is a faulty one because there is specification of house. In fact,
That is in
Kadalwadi
respect of ward
was
number 3.
consisting of 1200 people. That was first one, it's a Kadalwadi 1. When the bifurcation was made, Millard taking into consider 600 people, that is from Balaram house of Balaram South to Tilochan Nath. That is big. And your lordship say kindly see.
Give
the-
me a written submission. both
Yes.
are Written order is.
Yes.
Your lordship may,
I have filed my written.
your lordship may
And
one thing.
she has filed a revision petition
counter.
also
Please,
before the
please.
ADM.
He has filed a counter.
Who?
The OP number 7.
You, both of you, give me a short submission. Why?
No, my lord, what has happened, my lord? Why I am saying you?
I am not lingering thing.
Your lordship may, no,
Please
I
give me
I
written
don't say that,
submission, both the
I
party has passed order.
I don't request your lordship to linger the matter.
No, I
Your
don't.
lordship may kindly see, A by 7 is, my lord, not visible at all. So how I will give the written submission? Your lordship may kindly see that A by 7 be given to
These
me.
are all petty
Your-
issues.
no, no,
We can use
that
this.
is a vital portion, your
Take it
lordship.
from me
Your
and
lordship may.
use it. Take it, take it. ଦେଇଦିଅ। ପଢନ୍ତୁ।
ନା ପଢି ହବନି
କାଇଁ ପଢି ହବନି? ପଢିଦେଲେ?
ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ସେଟା
ପଢି ହବନି
Page
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କେତେ ସେଟା ଅଛି ଦେଖିଲ?
ପଢି ହବନି
ସେଟା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
survey report ଟା
ପଢି ହବନି, ମୁଁ ପଢି
There are only two-
ଦଉଛି।
ପଢି ହବନି ହଜୁର ପଢୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ପଢୁଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ।
Yes.
ପଢିଗଲା ସେଟା।
ନାଇଁ ମତେ ଯୋଉଟା ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି ମୁଁ ପଢି ପାରୁନି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କ୍ଲିନ କପି ଦେଇଥିବେ
ସବୁ ଆପଣ ଭଲଟା ଦେଇଦିଅ। ଏଇଟା ନେଇକି ପଢନ୍ତୁ ନହେଲେ। ଏଇଟା ଦଉଛି।
এটা পଢି হଉনি আগে
କାଇଁ
এটা
ପଢିବନି?
ଦେଲେই
ମୁଁ
ପଢିବ
ତ
ମୁଁ ଚଷମାଟା ଲଗେଇଛି হোয়াট ইজ ଦ ডিফরেন্স
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
ବିଟୱିନ୍ ଲେନ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ
ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମୀଧର ରାଉତ, ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣଚନ୍ଦ୍ର
এটা ବିଲକୁଲ
ରାଉତ,
ଉପରେ କିଛି
ଇନ୍ଦ୍ରମଣି
ଲେଖା
ରାଉତ,
ଯାଇନି
ମହେଶ୍ୱର ରାଉତ, ରମେଶଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ରାଉତ, ଗଣେଶଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ରାଉତ
Yes.
ସବୁଟା ପଢିବ।
ନା ନାଇଁ ଉପରେ ମୋର ଥରେ କିଛି ପଢି ହଉନି ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କଣ ମିଛ କହୁଛି
ଆପଣ ଆଣ ପଢିଦେବି।
ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ନଉନାହାନ୍ତି
ପଢିଦେବି।
କିଛି ପଢି ହଉନି ପଢି ହଉନି
ପାୱାର ଚଷମା ପିନ୍ଧିନି ସାର୍।
ମୁଁ ମନା କରୁଛି
କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଭଲଟେ ଥିବ
ପଢି ପାରୁଛି। ଆପଣ ପାୱାର ପିନ୍ଧି ପଢିନାହାନ୍ତି?
ମୁଁ ପାୱାର ବି
ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଏଣ୍ଟି ଗ୍ଲାର ପିନ୍ଧିଛି, କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ବାର ଦେଖୁଛି।
ଟିକେ ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସାର୍
ହଁ।
ପଢି ହଉନି ସେଟା
ତଥାପି ମୁଁ ପଢି
ସବୁ
ପାରୁଛି।
ପେଜ ଗୁଡା
କଣ
ପଢି
ପଢି ହଉନି ଏଇଟା?
ଉପର ଗୁଡା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ପଢେ ନା କଣ
ରାଉତ,
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା କେତେ ଗୁଡା ପଢି ହଉଛି ଆଗ ତ ଉପର
ମହେଶ୍ୱର ରାଉତ, ରମେଶଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ରାଉତ, ଗଣେଶଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ରାଉତ କଣ ପଢିବନି?
ଉପର ଗୁଡା ପଢି ହଉଛି ପଢି ହଉନି
ବେକାର କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
ମତେ ଗୋଟେ
ପାୱାର ଚଷମା ପିନ୍ଧିକି ପଢି
ମତେ
ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି,
ମତେ
ସାଧା-
ନା ପଢି
ସାଧା
ହଉନି
ଆଖିରେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ପଢିଦେବି।
ପଢି ହଉନି
ହାଁ।
ଉପର ଗୁଡା ପଢି ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ
ସେଇ
ମିଛ
list-
କହିନି କେବେ ଜୀବନରେ ତ କଣ ବି ହଉ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ କିଛି ଏମିତି ନାହିଁ ଏସବୁ ମତେ ମିଛ କହି ଆସିନି
Okay, okay.
ୟୋ ଲର୍ଡସିପ ମେ
ଆପଣ ପଢି ପାରିବେ। ବାସ୍ ଆପଣ ମିଛ କହନ୍ତୁ କି ସତ କହନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି।
ୟୋ ଲର୍ଡସିପ ମେ गिव वन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू फाइल ए रिजॉइंडर योर लर्डशिप में गिव मी टू फाइल ए रिजॉइंडर टू दैट काउंटर
ଆପଣ ରିଭିଜନ ସବମିଶନ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ଫାଇନାଲ ଅର୍ଡର
No, no, counter ଟା ତ ମୁଁ rejoinder ଟା ତ file କରିବି।
both the parties are directed to pass
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ରିଜॉइंडର ତ ଫାଇଲ କରି अपॉर्चुनिटी मस्ट बी गिवन टू मी
ପାଇଁ କିଛି ଇଏ ନାହିଁ, କମ୍ପଲସରି ନାହିଁ।
ନା ନା ସେ
ଆଉ
କଥା
କୋର୍ଟ ଚାହିଁଲେ ଦେବେ ନହେଲେ ନାହିଁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟେ
Rejoinder is always court's prerogative, not yours. Counter is compulsory.
ନାଇଁ, ମୁଁ-
Rejoinder is not compulsory. If once court can give, court
ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍ ଆଜ୍ଞା ରଖନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ରିଜॉइंडର ଦେବି ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିକ୍
ମ୍ୟାଟର କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଲାଣି କି?
2022 ର
22 ହେଲେ ଏମିତି ମ୍ୟାଟର କାହିଁକି ପଡି ରହିବ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟେ ରିଜॉइंडର ଦବାନି ଗୋଟେ ଇଏରେ
ଆଉ ଫାଇଲ କଲେନି କଣ ପାଇଁ ତାହେଲେ?
ଏଟା ପଢି ପାରିଲିନି ବୋଲି
ମୁଁ ତ ପାରୁଛି,
ନା ନା
ପଢିବା
ଉପରଟା
ପାଇଁ
ବିଲକୁଲ ପଢି ହେଲାନି ଉପରଟା ବିଲକୁଲ ପଢି
ସମସ୍ତେ
ହେଲାନି
ଯାହାକୁ ଦେଲେ ପଢିଦେବେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଉପରଟା ପଢି
କିଏ ପଢି ପାରିବେନି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ବିଲକୁଲ ଉପରଟା ପଢି ହଉନି ଆଜ୍ଞା
ବେକାର କଥା କାହିଁକି
ଗୋଟେ ଓରିଜିନାଲ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟଟା କେମିତି ଆମେ କହିବାଟା
List the matter on 27 September. ଯାଅ
Madam, since the interim order is there, she is continuing. That's why problem.
Interim order ଅଛି?
Yes, he is
Okay.
continuing by virtue of
Like,
interim order. She is continuing.
Petitioner to file the rejoinder on
Madam,
August
since-
7.
Since
August 7.
February, my lord, I have served the copy of counter.
August 7 ଆସୁ August 7.
Yes.
ଆପଣ କେମିତି ପଢିବେ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଜାଣନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଏସବୁ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବାଧ୍ୟ ନାହିଁ।
You lordship me direct.
ମୁଁ କିଛି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ଆପଣ ଭଲ କପିଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସିଲେ ଦେବେ ନହେଲେ ନାହିଁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ସବୁ ତ ପଢି ହଉଛି ଆପଣ ପଢିବନି କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ ସେଥିରେ ସବୁ ମାଗି ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ପେନ ରେ ବୁଲେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଟଚ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଟଚ୍ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା you lordship me but
next
interim order may be interim order may be extended.
interim order to extend till 7th और 7th पर interim order नथिବ
ନା ନା
next
item number 30 editor ମୋର ଭଲ କେସ୍ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହଁ ହେଲା ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି ଭଲ କେସ୍
ନା editor very ଭଲ କେସ୍ ଆଜ୍ଞା
let's see next
Pardon, my lordship.
30
No, my lordship, item number 24. I'm unable to present there. My senior is also engaged.
your senior is not there I understand everything but in between Guske you are disturbing others and coming and asking for this is
Pardon, my
not
lordship.
2 p.m. Hello?
Okay, my lordship.
Don't come like this. I don't appreciate this.
Pardon.
If something is there, you have to wait till the court rising of the court and then you mention it. Not in between whenever you like.
Pardon, my
They should
lordship.
you must learn this.
In
Next.
this case, I
Item
have
number
challenged-
30.
Huh?
Item 30. In this case, I have
Item number 30, recently, Lordship, I have been directed to appear for OP6, private OP6. I have filed my wakalatnama. Lordship, 3 weeks time to
What
file
is the
my
issue?
counter affidavit.
What is the issue?
Anganwadi matter.
अरे यार अंगनवाड़ी कितने टाइम रहुछ हम कौन
Lordship, just appear करछि खाली counter te file
एक हफ्ता टाइम दोछि खत्म करो एक हफ्ता 1 week
2 weeks Lordship.
not 2 weeks 1 week
Documents kuda khali.
1 week time if you file it
Lordship.
take instruction from your client okay,
Date
okay
may be
10 days
fixed.
Release the matter on 17 next
Lordship.
you got 2 weeks no don't worry next
31.
31
Passover.
why is it 2012 matter why should I pass it over
Passover, my lord.
2 p.m. Don't ask for adjournment. Adjournment will dismiss कर दे petition is not interested to pursue the matter wants to dismiss लगे सीधा adjournment कोई देखो senior जीवित हम होला if you ask for adjournment it will definitely be dismissed एबे तो कोई दूसरी लिखी दी था dismiss allowable लिखी दी था adjournment मांगे ले dismiss 12 matter को ऐसे for adjournment I'll dismiss you सीधा लिखी दी the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter hence dismissed खत्म next item
32.
32 32 बोलो put of this matter next to paid by the return person petition you are there
No. Next item.
Direct keeper the matter that is 2013 matter non-appears it seems that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter they're going to dismiss next I shall dismiss
33.
Item 33, but I have filed a IE for substitution because earlier it was a WESCO, now it is TPWD.
Oh, learn
To
the
substitute
petitioner is directed to file the
Substitution.
substitution application in view of the change of the
Management.
change of the what is that
Management.
management by the opposite party
I am for the petitioner. Petitioner by.
no opposite party number kate
No, I am for the petitioner.
I know that opposite party number what you want to change na
No.
the petitioner name to be changed.
Petitioner.
Oh sorry okay now it is what is the new name
TPWD.
Okay. Next
Here in this case, your lords,
you change it
I have filed. It is allowed you. I will file a substitute. I will file a consolidated.
you filed it
That has not been filed. I will file.
you file it this is a matter on 10th right
34.
May I please, your lordship? Here, the one my lord Ranjan Pushti my lord, he died under the railway accident my lord. While he was coming on the my lord by a trolley by auto my lord, due to unmanned level crossing, he died my lord. Died one train passed my lord, goods train my lord they passed. When they passed, they went to cross the road. Thereafter, another train that is Puri Raurkela Express my lord is coming. And there is a dash against the that auto rickshaw my lord, where the deceased and one of his nephew was there, my lord, they died, my lord. That is why, my lord.
What do you want?
I have to claim for the compensation, my lord, compensation against the railway authority, my lord. Because of the negligence on the part of the, my lord, railway authority.
So
Because
you have been given some pulla?
no.
You're not.
Nothing has been given.
Right.
Nothing has been given. Initially, my lord, I had prayed for 4 lakh, my lord. But subsequently, I filed an amendment petition, my lord, to change it to 8 lakh because of the amendment of the slab by the government, my lord.
Okay, that in that.
Amendment petition was filed, my lord. Counter is also objection is filed. That.
Well, they have filed the IA, my lord, for enhancement of the compensation, my lord. But the Amendment Act came in the year 2016, my lord. But the case is of 2013. So, my lord, the Amendment Act cannot be
Why? If the case is
retrospectively.
Pending, if the case is pending, can it not be taken?
Well, look, how the Amendment Act will be act prospectively, retrospectively.
Accident took place much before that.
Before.
Before, my lord.
And that too, my lord,
Before amendment, something happened and the
Before
post amendment amount has been given.
My lord, before amendment, I had filed, my lord, this writ application, my lord.
No. He's saying the cause of action was much before the amendment.
Amendment, yes.
So any authority,
my lord, that is
which you can show that even if the cause of action was before the amendment, still that post amendment
that is
will be applicable.
Though, my lord, that part of saying that on the it is not on the question of amendment, my lord, but the Honorable Supreme Court has held, my lord, at the time of passing order, court can take into consideration of that subsequent amendment. And if even though that was not prayed for, the court can award that what is the time at the time of passing order, what was the prevailing rule, my lord. That was the matter.
Show me that.
Here is the issue, my lord, regarding enhancement of the claim, my lord.
And the Odisha High Court also relied on one, my lord, that is also there. Paragraph 30, if you lords will see. Para 30.
30.
Previous one, it was discussed, my lord, but paragraph 30 it was said, from all these we are of the definite opinion that claims tribunal must consider what the rules prescribed at the time of making the order for the payment of the compensation. And consider the said aspect also.
Yeah, there's a view by the court that if there is any amendment taken place in between when the matter is pending before the court and there is amendment, and if it suits the claimant, that it will go in favor of the claimant,
My lord, he is not at all entitled to for the compensation.
क्यों नहीं entitled?
I'll satisfy.
Why?
My lord, kindly have a glance to page para 10 of my counter.
I'm not entitled also.
My lord.
It
is a unmanned level crossing, my lord.
Unmanned level crossing ଆପଣ man କଲେନି?
No, my lord. In all places, my lord, it is not.
ଆପଣ unmanned crossing ମାନେ ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ machine ଅଛି ମାନେ
yes.
mechanically operated.
No, my lord. In unmanned level crossing, generally humps are there, sign boards are there, and signals are there. All that I have.
You are in a hurry.
No, what
you are
happened?
in a hurry to go off.
No, what happened? I am satisfied, my lord. Kindly have para 10 of my counter affidavit.
Para 10.
That internal page 3. That in reply to the para 1, 2, 3 of the writ petition, it is humbly submitted.
What is your railway this guideline? What is it say?
Yes, my lord.
The page.
As per provision, my lord. I am placing.
Page.
Page 3 of internal counter, page 3, madam. Internal page 3 of my counter. Para 10,
Come to 13, 13.
madam.
Come to 13.
13.
Unmanned रा कोड अच्छी है अपन करो. Guideline.
I'll satisfy, madam.
Come to the General Rules 1976. Indian Railways Open Lines. See three का सुन. See three कौन लिखा है देखिए.
Madam, para करता. General rules, para 17 of SR. Madam, internal
कितने
page.
कोड अच्छी देखा तू. Mr. Petitioner, you show me from which is applicable to you from this.
My lord.
Para this annexer A filed by them, that is Indian Railways Open Lines.
Yes, madam. General
Show
rules
me
97.
which paragraph or which point is applicable to you.
But they should have, that is the rule, my lord. They should have the precaution, there should have precaution and
They have precaution. भाई लोग तो नहीं मानते घुस जाते बेचारे क्या करें?
my lord.
Always precaution. People, you see, whenever there is even if there is a level crossing, गाड़ी आसु तो लोग
At daytime, it is a daytime, madam.
मर भी नहीं लोग के कौन
Here, my lord.
रेलवे लाइन
And also, my lord, 131 of the MV Act, my lord, clearly stipulates, I am placing that.
MV Act is applicable to railway.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord, there is a provision. Every driver of a motor vehicle at the approach of any unguarded railway level crossing shall cause the vehicle to stop.
अच्छा बुझली. Your MV Act of the behavior of the driver.
Yes,
to,
madam.
okay.
They must stop. Thereafter, he send the passenger or helper or cleaner
So how
to see whether any trolley.
How he is going? Any police report?
He is going through a auto rickshaw, trolley auto. So, and he is admitting that there is another person in the auto. It is admitted fact. And despite he stopped the vehicle, he trespassed to the railway track. And it is a daytime.
What is the report for the police? Come to the police report.
Yes.
Police report, my lord.
Such a hurry now. People such a hurry. They just want to die. What can railway do? People want to die. इतना हरी क्यों भाई? मैंने हमको देखी थी धीरे धीरे लागी थी वो गली गली पड़ोती है सत्येंद्र मैंने 2 मिनट रखले मर जीवी सन पूरा संग संग मन ध्यान देई जो तामरे एंती ध्यान देला कोन असुविधा अछि जदी मरि जो थिला
एथरे होची कोन गोटे ट्रेन टे गला गुड्स ट्रेन टे गला
आज्ञा गुड्स ट्रेन कथा लोक बिहेवियर कथा ट्रेन जेतले जाउची क्रॉसिंग अछि. Is it not the duty of the driver to be careful? Is it not the duty? हठात किंदी पळे आला मार्जिन पळे गला आपण डेफिनेटली दूर तो जना पड़े रेलवे जेतले आसुची क्रॉसिंग वाले जनरली हॉर्न बजेबी जांती
नहीं हॉर्न
बजेबी न हले भी देखा नहीं त राखी देखा जाउनथला. You should not get anything is right.
In the daytime also, madam.
Daytime आपण negligence सेत पे
दिन 9:40 रे हेजिन.
If you are having negligence in your approach, you are not entitled to get anything. Accident को दिया जीवा not for the known लोग जानी कि आपण नेवे की.
But my lord, what is the contention of the petitioner, my lord?
Contention जाता हो.
No precaution, nothing, my lord.
Police report देखा तो केमती मले जान देखि जान.
Police report होची inquest report if you lordship will see. Paste the inquest report, paste. Inquest report that is due to railway accident, my lord. Died.
Railway accident is there. केमती accident police किछि बने थिबो ना report केमती मला कार दोस्तला रेलवे रे दोस्तला ना तार दोस्तला कोन थिबो ना रिपोर्ट बने थिबो पुलिस कोन. Those people who want to die, railway can't save them.
Some is given, my lord. That is only inquest report and.
अरे सर रिपोर्ट कोडी कोन किछि देखि के आसु नांदे एठी आसी को खोजिबी कोडा कहले पके देखि पारु नांदे आपण एटा कोन पे अछि केउट तो के लगो नांदे एटा लगांदे कि नै आ जदी एटा अधिक पैसा पडुची सादा कागज को खंड खंड काटि के स्टेबल दे दो नांदी सेति भी करिवेनी किछि नै एठी आसी खोजिबे खाली एटा लेवल ऑफ प्रिपरेशन कम प्रिपेयर्ड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू हियर इट. Please come prepared. Please come prepared with a proper note. Give me a note, proper note why you should get, then I'll consider it. With page reference. Please come prepared, please. Now 9th August. एठी खोजंतु नै एठी प्लीज घरु पड़ी के आसंतु. This is not doing. कोन पचारला किछि को पाउ नथि.
ତାରେ ଅଲଗା ରିପୋର୍ଟ ରା ନାହିଁ only inquest report ଟା ଅଛି ଆଉ
ଖାଲି police ର ଆଉ କିଛି report ନାହିଁ?
postmortem report ଟା
Postmortem ରେ ଜଣା କେମିତି ମଲା ଜଣା ପଡିବ, but what about the how
inquest report
ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ଆମ ପାଖରେ କିଛି ରିପୋର୍ଟ ନାହିଁ।
police କରିନଥିବ report?
ପୋଲିସ କରିଛି ଇନକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ ଟା କରିଛି ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ
Inquest ରେ କଣ ଲେଖିଛି?
ଇନକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ ଲେଖିଛି ରେଲୱେ ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ।
Accident ଖାଲି ଲେଖିଦେଲ, ଆଉ କିଛି ଲେଖିଲେନି, କେମିତି ହେଲା କଣ ଲେଖିଲେନି?
cause of death is due to train accident but the actual cause of death
So you have filed the reply?
It was
You have filed the reply? You give me short note, I'll pass on.
yes.
Note from both sides, ninth class. Next.
My appearance will refer.
35.
35.
Item number 35.
35.
Item number 35.
इसको लागू नहीं ना? First time. Issue notice. Non-appears for the petitioner. How can it issue the record notice? Non-appears for the petitioner. The petitioner given a last chance to appear on 3rd August. Next, please the matter on 3rd August.
36.
36.
The petitioners are parent of the deceased. The petitioners are parents of the deceased, father and mother of the deceased. And his son, namely Uttivasu Mahapatra, was died on 1st March 2013 in custodial death by the police
Custodial death.
torture inside IIC, inside Energy Police Station, Cuttack.
Inside which police station?
Energy Police Station, Cuttack.
Energy police station is good.
हाँ गोटे अच्छी इलेक्ट्रिक थाना अच्छी योब्रारे
Oh, that तार electric चोरी.
इलेक्ट्रिक चोरी इलेक्ट्रिक कोठी मीटर बढ़ गला कम गला से सब हुए
So he died of
1st March.
He died of this custodial death.
Custodial death.
Is there any report?
Yes.
What is the report?
Fact of the case kindly mate कहले undated 1st March 2013 IIG morning रे IIC Energy Police Station गोटे आम घर गोटे फोन कले morning रे जे आपण को पुओ ता पुओ को डायरेक्ट फोन कले जे आसी थाना रे पहुंचे पई obeying the order of the police station he came to the police station and after reaching in the police station he intimated to his younger sister Lali by mobile phone je mu thana re pahunchi gali after some time within 20 minutes the phone switch off hai gala and throughout the day the members of the family phone kariya asin ta ghare kei nahanti gote old budha lokote budite au kei nahanti jheti unmarried jheti at about sei dina sandhya 7:30 bele jei sesu asiki ta ghare pahunchile कहले आपन को एनर्जी पुलिस स्टेशन जीवाक पड़िबो कहले ता बापा कहले बुढ़ा लोक राति रे जाई परिबे आपन डाकी निसिन कि मु जानने राति रे मु जाई परिबे तापर गोटे गाड़ी पठेले गाड़ी रे नै कि डायरेक्ट पळेले एसी मेडिकल ले देखला लोक त पो डेथ हिच पाटी रो ब्लीडिंग मुंडो रो पाटी रो
कोन रिपोर्ट ता कोन आछि
देखो ये हम तो एफआईआर देलो थाना रे
पीएम रिपोर्ट ता कोन पीएम रिपोर्ट हितबो ना
I have attached my lord in my counter affidavit. C/4, page 17, man.
ता बॉडी रे किसी मार्क का थिबो
No.
हां
किसी नहीं. आमे तारो actually he has taken the poison, my lord. The chemical examination report also I have annexed, my lord. At page number 15.
डाकिला परे नै डाकी गला हटात कोन पॉइजन नै पड़ेला
नहीं
पॉइजन न पिली थे बोली कोन मानु
से आसीथिला कस्टडी रु आसीची ताकू नेइथिले पचरा उचरा करिया ପାଇଁ का
तो कस्टडी से काई आसीनी घर को फेरिनी
हाँ फेरिची
को फेरिची घर फेरिची बोला
कस्टडी रु से आसिला ताकु पचरा उचरा के छाड़ी देले
कौन पाई कौन पचर कौन पाई
चोरी
डाकिले
चोरी चोरी केस रे
कौन चोरी करथिला
जो इलेक्ट्रिक केबल तांकर सब से काम करथला सेसुरे एज ए गार्ड in connivance with other 3 people he has stolen some electric materials of the Sesu minor and basing upon the report of the junior engineer Sesu FIR has been lodged against the present petitioner deceased and all the other 3 accused persons minor.
So you want to say you have left, I mean there was no, he was not arrested at all.
No.
Simply he was called for any some interrogation.
Again.
And then he was left.
Again.
Then he went back.
Again. Sethe mu khali tikya apnu dekhoji annexure B/4 annexure 15 manner. A result of the chemical examination report. An organ phosphorus poison was detected in the exhibit marked as A and in the viscera of the deceased described above. Barbiturate benzodiazepine group of drugs, insecticidal alcohol and materialistic poison could not be detected in the exhibit as A1, B, C described above. As regards to the examination of vomiting substance and blood, the examination report as Director Biology Division issued by his memo number so and so dated so and so is enclosed herewith for your reference matter.
So how do you say that it's a custodial death? They are saying that it is.
It is a custodial death.
Whatever we are submitting from the report manner.
My lord, is it permitted a person can take a small poison inside police station? Is it permitted? I am inside his custody. I am inside his custody. And they are throughout they beating me. All the
beating ହେଇଥିଲେ sir କୋଠି ଦି ଚିହ୍ନ କରିଛନ୍ତି
ପହଞ୍ଚନ କେମିତି ଆସିବ
beating ହେଇଥିଲେ ଚିହ୍ନ ତ ଆସିଥିବ ବଡି ରେ କୋଠି ଚିହ୍ନ ତ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ପୋଷ୍ଟମର୍ଟମ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆସିଥାନ୍ତା ନା ବାଡିଛନ୍ତି କଣ ବୋଲିକିରି କୋଠି ତ ଚିହ୍ନଟେ ଥାନ୍ତା ସାର୍ ବେଟିଂ ହେଲା ଚିହ୍ନ ଆସିବନି
ଥାନାରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଥାର୍ଡ ଡିଗ୍ରୀ ଦିଆଯାଏ ସେମାନେ
ଚିହ୍ନ ଆସିବନି ଆପଣ
ଚିହ୍ନ ରହିବନି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଉପରେ 3ଟା କମ୍ବଳ ପକେଇକି ବାଡେଇବେ କିଛି ଚିହ୍ନ ରହିବନି
କମ୍ବଳ ପକେଇକି ବାଡୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଡେସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ କଲେ ହବ
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲ ଫେସ୍ କରିଛୁ 3ଟା କିଛି ଚିହ୍ନ ରହିବନି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ସେ ପେନ୍ ଟା ଖାଲି ଫିଲ୍ କରିପାରିବେ ଚିହ୍ନ କିଛି ରହିବନି
ଚିହ୍ନର ବଡି ଭିତରେ ପୋଷ୍ଟମର୍ଟମ ରିପୋର୍ଟ
ସବୁ ନଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଯିବ
ପୋଷ୍ଟମର୍ଟମ ରିପୋର୍ଟ କେଉଠି ତ ଜଣା ପଡିବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ପରମିସିବଲ ଏ ପର୍ସନ ତମେ ଥାନାକୁ ଡାକିଲ ତାକୁ ସକାଳୁ ଡାକିକି ରାତି ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ଯାକେ ରଖିଲ ତାପରେ କହୁଛ ତା ପକେଟରେ ଗୋଟେ ପଏଜନ ଥିଲା ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ଆପ୍ଲିକେବୁଲ ଆମ ଘରର ତାପରେ ସୁପ୍ରିମକୋର୍ଟର ଯୋଉ ଗାଇଡେନ୍ସ ଅଛି ଯଦି ଜଣକୁ ଡାକିବ ତାର ଘରର 2 ଜଣ ଲୋକକୁ ଡାକିବ
ଜଣେଇବା କଥା ନା ଡାକିଲା ପରେ ଜଣେଇବିନି ଡିକେ ବସୁ ଫଲୋ କରିଥିଲେ
2 ଜଣ
ଡିକେ ବସୁ ଫଲୋ କରିଥିଲେ Have you followed the DK Basu guideline while arresting the person? Notice has been issued earlier. It is 2014 case. What is your reply?
My reply dated.
Your reply is wrong. I am not accepting it. There is something fishy. How can you? Which your police officer? Who was the officer at that time?
ସେତେବେଳେ ଥିଲେ ଅରୁଣ ସ୍ୱାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତାଙ୍କର ଭେରାବଳ କାରଣ ସେ ମେବି ମାଇଟ୍ ବି ରିଟାୟାର୍ଡ କରିଥିଲେ କାରଣ ସେ ଡିଏସପି ହେଇକି ଏଠୁ ପଳେଇଥିଲେ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଜାଣିନି against that fellow he has made a complaint ଅରୁଣ କୁମାର ସ୍ୱାଇଁ
Get that Arun Kumar Swami, wherever he is, you find him. Grant counsel for the petitioner.
Or I will
The
take
state
a
is
fresh
directed to.
instruction from the present Mangalabag IIC.
Present वाला की जानी बनी सही report present और से past दो जन
हाँ ठीक है
Grant counsel for the state is directed to inform the present IIC Mangalabag as well as the IIC Mangalabag at the time of the death of the petitioner son physically present before this court on 17th August. Intimate them.
They will appear, madam?
Huh?
They will appear?
Yes, both of them personally, physically will be here.
Madam.
Kotak लोग कौन कोटक आसी? सी लोग भी जोड़ती बस आसी पे जानो, है 17th. I want to inquire something from them. Next.
37.
Passover matter 12.
I am for the opposite party, your lordship.
Sir, detail na detail.
One night.
ଏବେ ଦୁଇଟା ବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନଥିଲି ଦୁଇଟା ବେଳେ ଆମର ଆଜି ନାହିଁ ତ I can take out ଟିକେ ଅଟକି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ wait for some next ସାର୍ ଆସିବେନି ଆଉ ଏତେ ଫୋର୍ସ କରିପାରିବେନି ମତେ ଆପଣ ଆସିବେନି ଠିକ ଅଛି ମୁଁ କହିଥିଲି ଦୁଇଟା ବେଳେ ଟିକେ ୱେଟ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ସରୁ ମୁଁ କରିଦେବି
Item
My lord,
37, I am for the
my lord,
opposite party, your
I-
lordship.
pardon me. One free copy maybe.
ହଁ
Item
ଠିକ
36.
ଅଛି yes next
Item
37.
37, I am for the opposite party. I am praying before this honorable court to dispose of this matter pending since long, my lord. Counter reasoned already filed. And
dispose of man what is why
in view of the factual disputes, many factual disputes are there apparent on the face of the records. So I
So,
suggested,
in view of that because there is factual dispute I should dispute
they are the petitioner, my lord.
May I pray, my lord? All the policies were valid as on death of the employee. The petitioner is the widow, my lord. Nominees were the minors, children's, my lord. By virtue of issuance of order, they asked the petitioner to produce the leave application of her deceased husband and other documents, my lord.
leave application
My lord,
What
the
leave application?
husband of the petitioner, he was an railway employee, my lord.
no they are the insurance company
They are
Yes,
LIC.
I am for LIC.
LIC why LIC
LIC asked the
asked for leave
petitioner
application what is the connection of leave application with the LIC?
leave application of her husband. He submitted in his office, my lord, during his service career, my lord. Your lordship may kindly
No,
give
no, just answer my question.
my lord.
What is the nexus between the leave application and the this
My lord,
LIC?
only to deprive this the benefit some assured by the
I am asking you.
I will satisfy your lordship. One Udayanath Biswal is the deceased.
Hmm.
He died allegedly. There are 6 legal heirs. Petitioner claims to be second wife of the Udayanath Biswal.
Hmm.
The brother of the deceased left 5 LIC policies. 5.
Okay.
One of his brother, Rabindra Biswal,
Hmm.
he raised the claim before LIC and submitted some medical documents. Those medical documents I have filed with my counter affidavit. A by 2, B by 2. Lordship,
So you are the second wife. You are
my
the
lord,
second wife.
after death of the wife,
Ah.
the employee married to this petitioner, my lord.
Huh?
So there is no 2 wives, my lord.
So after death of the wife.
After death,
These children, my lord. So
Sir,
legal
if-
certificate
if
under
after
Annex
death
4.
of the wife he can marry no,
Many
no harm.
disputed facts are there. Many facts.
What are the disputes? Sir?
I'm submitting a lordship.
may I pray, my lord? Your lordship, my lord, pray, my lord, one second.
What is your prayer, sir? What is in the petitioner? What do you want?
My lord, I have filed rejoinder including 2 documents
I am just asking what
for payment of the sum assured of the 4 policies, my lord.
and what are the children?
Because children were my lord, they communicated me the rejection order. So this petitioner is before my lord.
They are not her children. That is the whole difficulty. Mother-in-law is also active.
My lord, now my lord friend says that I am the second wife. Then if
Your
the
document shows
petitioner,
that.
please
Annex
do it.
4.
No,
I
no,
have a
the
case, I am
LIC
before
will
lord.
also see. Since they are
Their document shows.
releasing the money, they have to ensure that the money goes to the right person. That is their duty.
Yes, my lord.
If we asking about the children should get, what is wrong with the LIC doing?
My lord, because all the communication made between
Sir,
the,
how can they give you only?
No, my
They have
lord.
to ensure
Yes,
that other
they
children
have,
should
that
also
is the
get.
I am not saying that the amount should be released in my favor.
Then why have you come here then?
Because being the mother guardian and the nominees were minor, the petitioner made communication between the insurance company, my lord.
Till the major, no money will be given.
Now, my lord, they
They
have
are already
certain measure.
The best thing, let the children become major, then we'll get the money.
All the children become major in the meantime, my
Now
lord.
the all children.
Your
you
lordship
file-
may,
You do one thing, all children, you get your partition suit, declaratory suit for partition, then give it to company, the company will according to disburse them.
your lordship allow me only one sentence, my lord. Only 2 documents. The documents to which they asked the
Sir, did you understand what they say?
my lord, I understand.
If they have become major, how many children are there?
4 children.
4 children. I'm from this.
Four
mother,
children
how
and
many children?
mother-in-law is also there, mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law.
Because my lord, all the amount will
Sir,
go benefit my lord.
Who is the nominee?
The sons, my lord, minor sons.
Son, huh?
My lord.
Abhi major ho
I
gaya,
dispute it,
minor
your
ka?
lordship.
In the meantime, they became major. During the
Ah.
pendency of the writ petition, they became major. my lord.
Brother is also nominee.
Please allow me. This is
Okay,
my
okay, you
case.
finish.
Okay, brother is also nominee.
Yes.
That policy became mature and they have paid the amount, my lord. Your lordship,
To
only one sentence, 2 documents. My lord, by the letter dated 69/2016, that I have enclosed as Annex 12. The opposite parties asked the railway authorities to furnish the documents. And second, after receiving, they sought for further requirements, my lord. These 2 documents I have filed along with my region. My learned friend has to answer these 2 documents, my lord. When all the requirements have been complied with by the railway authorities, then it is their duty to act on the same, my lord. These 2 documents I have filed.
If my learned friend is
Just hold on.
My lord.
Earlier wife is dead. Children from the earlier wife are 4.
Yes.
And from this wife?
No.
Earlier wife is dead in 2011. This legal certificate they produced in 2013.
So, is this lady any nominee in any of them?
No, my
One is that 2 brothers. In 2 policies, brother is nominee, and 3 policies, one of the son is nominee who belongs to first wife.
So now you have released the money to the brother.
No, my lord, because
All the monies are with you.
all the money is kept because, my lord, there
Now
is a
do one
reason.
thing, sir. No, the shortcut solution. Generally, the LIC also does the same thing. Even the banks are also doing the same thing. You get a legal air certificate, तो सबको पास होगा. At the same time, you get it partition. Entire then the share will be then divided among all the legal heirs. That's the best thing to do.
I have no objection, my lord.
Then do it. Do it and approach and I'm disposing it off.
Yes, my
And
lord.
you go and
Only
approach.
one prayer, my lord, one prayer. They have prayed for Annexure 8. For convenience of this honorable court, I am submitting. Annexure 8, they're questioning of Annexure 8 to the writ petition. Affidavit, I have submitted some documents. The brother raised the claim wherein some medical documents were produced showing that deceased was alcohol addict and suffering from certain diseases.
Sir, whatever all these things.
IRDA.
I'm not going to all these things.
Yes.
Simply think. I'm just disposing it up with the direction that you produce.
Let them produce the
legal
yes.
certificate.
May I pray, my lord? May I pray? There is one forum available. That's ombudsman, my lord. I can, your lordship direct. I can. My claim will be settled there, my lord.
Ombudsman किसी हुई नहीं.
My claim will be settled there. Your lord.
Petitioner request to withdraw the writ petition. With the liberty to approach the ombudsman. If the petitioner approach the ombudsman shall dispose of the matter within 2 months from the date of the intention.
Obliged.
Obliged.
କିଛି ମାନେ ପୁଣି ବୁଲି ବାଲିକି ଆଇବେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ପୁଣି ଆଇବେ ଆଉଥରେ ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ କ୍ରିଏଟ କଲେ ଆପଣ
My claim will be settled there.
ସାର୍ ହବନି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ଅମ୍ବୁଡସମ୍ୟାନ କଣ କରେ ଆମେ ଜାଣିନୁ କି ଆଉଥରେ ଆଲିବେ ବୁଲି ବାଲିକି ଆପଣ ଆସିବେ ଯୋଉଟା ଭଲ କଥା କଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁନି ଆଉ କଣ କରିବା ଯୋଉଠି ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ ହବ ସେଠି ଯିବେନି ଯୋଉଠି ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ ନ ହବ ଆଉ ବୁଲି ବାଲିକି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆସିବେ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ବିଚାରା ବୁଲି ବୁଲି ହଇରାଣ ହବ ନେକ୍ସଟ 38
May it please your lordship. My lord, I am in VC, my lord.
In this case, my lords, I am appealing for the opposite party number 1 and 2, L&T General Insurance, my lords. In the meantime, the L&T General Insurance has already merged with SDFC Ergo. SDFC Ergo.
So you have to change then. It is required to be changed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you, Mr.
My lord.
Petitioner has to.
My lord, I will amend that then.
Amend that first.
My lord.
To amend the first title, file a consultation in our party. List matter. 10th.
My lord.
Next.
39.
Noble.
39. Yes, 39. Paragale. Pass over.
40.
Please, your lordship. My lord, this is relating to employees' compensation. Lordship, annexure 3 is pending. That is
Compensation?
employees' compensation, my lord. Your lordship. may
For
kindly
what?
sit- My lord, one accident. The deceased was a truck driver. This petition has been filed by the wife of the deceased, my lord. There, my lord, the events are after the compensation was awarded, the insurance company came before this honorable court in FAO. That FAO reduced, this honorable court reduced the amount from 8 lakh somewhat to 6,50,000 and directed for disbursal to all the legal heirs. And what happened in the next what happened?
No, just 6 lakh was awarded by whom?
8,65,000 was awarded initially by the commissioner, and against
By
that,
the commissioner.
yes, my lord. And the insurance company came before this honorable court in a
Why
FAO.
did the court reduce it? On what is the basis?
My lord, I am not aware of that judgment, my lord. I am may
Now
say
what
that
do you want?
now what has happened, your lordship may kindly see page 20, my lord. This is an order of the commissioner, my lord.
No, I'm asking. What is the ground for
My lord, that is all.
reducing them?
If I could humbly submit, my lord, those are all now not in question, my lord. What has happened
What
now?
is the
is-
question now?
Question is, my lord, after the disposal of the FAO by this honorable court, it was in that FAO also it was directed for disposal of the amount to all the legal heirs, equally distributed. On after that, my lord, on 8/10/2015, the commissioner passed another order excluding the present petitioner, the wife of the deceased, on the ground that she is no more a dependent as she has remarried. So after that order was passed, annexure 3
You
is
have,
the,
you have remarried.
my lord, that is I am disputing that. I'm disputing that.
Who are you?
I am the wife of the deceased.
You are the wife of the deceased.
Yes.
You didn't remarry.
No, I am saying that those documents that has been filed before the EC commissioner are all forged. That is why I filed this application under annexure 3. my
Filed
lord.
by whom?
Filed by me, my lord. The
Before the
commissioner
Then you filed the forged document.
for recall.
Who has filed the forged document?
Allegedly, me and my a lawyer have filed that document.
Sir, if you have filed the forged document, then why did you file forged document?
No, my lord. I am saying that this I have not filed those. The recording is wrong. That is why I have filed a application for recall of that order. I am just praying before your
How
lordship.
do you know that? How do I know that you have not filed the forged document?
My lord, I have that statement of mine is before the commissioner in an application for recall of that order. That is pending. That may be disposed of. That is it, my
It
lord.
is fine, but I'm saying this, going to the facts, I'm saying.
My lord.
Even if that you yourself files false forged document, whether you have filed or not filed, nobody knows.
Nobody knows.
Again, you say no, that was not by me.
My lord.
And that is pending before the
Pending before the commissioner, my lord. Annexure 3.
Petitioner 6 direction from this court to OP number?
OP number 2, my lord.
OP number 2.
3, OP number 2, my lord. Yes, my lord. OP number
For
2.
speedy disposal of
Annexure 3.
Annexure 3. It has been pending since
Pending since 2015, my lord.
2015. Full stop. Considering the pendency of the representation.
My lord?
That is representation or what?
Pardon?
Representation or something else?
No, my lord. That is a miscase for recall of that order.
Miscase for recall of the order. He said so you may not be knowing.
My lord?
That order might have been recalled also, you may not be knowing. 2015 case.
No, my lord. That is pending as my
Pending. So since it's pending for the last 8 years, the OP number 2 is directed to dispose it of within 1 month from the date of receiving the order.
My lord.
Regarding disposal. Allah.
My lord.
Next.
41.
Item 41, I am for opposite party, my lord.
Who for the petitioner?
I am for the insurance company.
Petitioners ki.
Petitioner, my lord, last time also. Susmita Patnaik.
2016 matter, how this is going?
So nothing remain. Yeah, challenge, my lord, if you also see for a moment, page 17, running page 17 of the brief.
I am not doing anything, simply I am dismissing for non-prosecution.
Smile.
Matter, since the matter has been pending since 2016, non-present, non-present. Hence, this court,
Opinion number 2.
This court, it is apparent that the petitioner is not interested in the proceeding matter. Okay,
My
this
presence, opinion number 2, presence.
OP1 also I am. OP1 too I am.
Dismiss for non-prosecution. Chalo, next.
42.
12:45 रे matter launch. 12:45 matter was put.
Yes, please. Now come.
Item number 20.
Yes.
Lordship, very small point, Lordship. Only violation of natural justice, Lordship. Kindly they come to their own guideline.
What is the natural justice?
Lordship, they have a disengaged me, Lordship, without issuing any.
You are what?
I have GRS, like Grammar Sevak, Lordship. Lordship, state account to 25 their own notification, their counter.
Base?
Page 25 of their counter. And Lordship, kindly come to page 31, termination.
Item number 20.
20, Lordship.
Oh, sorry.
Page 31 of their counter, Lordship.
What do you want? Which page?
Termination. I'm just reading second paragraph. The first paragraph they are saying the collector has the power. Second, let's saying before terminating the contract, the collector comes to Jila Parishad should issue so much notice against the hearing GRS, specifying the charges attributed to him or giving a reasonable opportunity to show cause in writing within 30 days from the receipt of the show cause notice. If the said GRS desires to be heard in person, he may be given reasonable opportunity of being heard in person. If the collector Jila Parishad is inclined to believe that the reply of show cause submitted GRS is not satisfactory, and Lord, he can disengage that power, Lordship.
What is it?
Lord, what my learned senior is now saying, it is not in their government's made the writ
Yes,
petition.
that is in our
Trapped,
Oh.
taking 5,000 rupees, my lord.
What is the appointment letter?
Lordship, annexure 4,
Go
Lordship.
to the appointment letter.
Appointment order, Lordship. Lordship, kindly come annexure 1 series. Only have given the joining letter, not
Where is the appointment letter offered by the government?
offer of appointment letter, that is page 17, Lordship.
Page 17.
Page 17. District Rural Development Agency, Lordship, that is. My name is serial number 2. Nikunja Kumar Vishwa.
Inviting objection, verifying of sources, as far as the district level committee further decided that bias shall be engaged for first 6 months, and at the end of the year, their performance shall be paid, the recommended person shall be.
And Lordship, kindly come to my disengagement order, annexure 4, page 38.
38.
38, Lordship. Lordship, this order is of Lordship 6/4/2022. Lordship.
Contractual employee, what is it? For contractual employee, it is not necessary that they should be,
No, no, this is-
every case they are not
No, no,
supposed
this
to
is
give.
their only guideline, Lordship. This is for contractual employee. This guideline is for contractual employee.
I know. But I'm saying for contractual employee, it is not necessary if this kind of person engaged in this kind of.
Yeah, that must be in guideline. Lordship, that must be in guideline. That must be in guideline that if a person.
Which guideline you are reading?
Lordship, guideline that is annexure starts from page 25. This is their guideline.
25.
6/4/2018. They have, it was initially power of the Gram Panchayat. They have taken it now the collector the authority, and they have made a detailed guideline. Had it been a case, so Lordship, there must be some clause. If you will be trapped in a vigilance case, there will be no reasonable opportunity given.
Which line you are reading?
Lordship, sorry.
Which line you are reading?
Lordship, page 31, Lordship, page 25 starts from page 25. Page 31, Lordship, kindly see termination. Only the contractual employees, they can be terminated by this clause only. Page 31.
31, what is there? It's nothing there. Organizing the workforce, partnership with civil society, blah, blah.
No, page 31, Lordship, I am saying that is their counter. They have annexed the guideline.
Oh, counter.
Counter in their counter page starts from page 25, internal page 25. Lordship.
Counter affidavit of OP number 1 starts from page 40.
Internal page 25, Lordship. Internal page 25.
You read, why don't you read it?
I am reading, Lordship.
Which one? You
Termination. There is a clause termination. Lordship, the 25 says comprehensive guidelines for selection and engagement of ground sevaks under MGNRS. Termination is page 31. Upon receipt of an inquiry report from BDO or any other senior officer on the allegation against GRS, charges leveled against the GRS are grievous in nature and proved that the continuance of the said GRS construed detrimental in the interest of
government. Generally, yes, you're right. But if a case like if a person is just caught in the trap case and is arrested, then what kind of? Then I don't think there is any necessity.
Then para second.
There is in many cases it has been clearly stated that for a trap case like this, not required. Not required.
What is the guideline for this?
No, guideline maybe for general cases. For Olga type, what 8 type? No.
In general, Lordship, kindly say, I'm saying what are the Lordship, kindly second, before terminate the contract.
I know that before termination, you give a so even I have been telling this same thing in other cases, but not this kind of.
Lordship, kindly come to annexure 4.
किसी भी कर दबा जगह जेल रे पसिबो तापर आउट नेचुरल जस्टिस जेल गला लोग
I can Lordship just one Lordship one question I can put to myself, Lordship. If I will be acquitted, Lordship, if that is a political vendetta,
this is not a regular contractual job. I don't understand.
Lordship, these contractual employees, by of amendment recent made in the 2021 starts from 2012.
No, they are contractual job.
Lordship,
contractual stage re government has upper hand. If you have any misconduct or your conduct is not good, government can at any time throw you out.
Lordship, then Lordship, because
otherwise I'm the some of contract regular job bole behave kala ta apna government
a case Lordship is absolutely correct. Lordship, in this case I had taken 2 grounds, Lordship. My first ground was different because I was coming to a very shortcut ground, so it can be disposed of because no natural justice. My first ground was, Lordship, this collector has absolute no authority because in my case, the collector, I am the employee of the Gram Panchayat, Lordship. If collector comes to for order of disengagement, definitely resort to this notification because the 2018 notification only speaks the collector has only power. But my appointment in the year by virtue of MGNRS Act and my controlling authority, the Gram Panchayat. Now, Lordship, the government has come up with the amendment with a notification. This notification speaks of 2018. This 2018 only gives power to the collector to take action against the Gram Panchayat employee.
When was this trap happened?
Trap Lordship happened in the year Lordship 2022, Lordship. 22.
So 22 that new amendment has come.
That is a submission, Lordship. If they are resorting in the amendment, then it has to be acted in accordance with the amendment. So if the amendment itself gives a power to the collector to give a notice, well, how can he state a Lordship? Can the contents of the letter, Lordship? What my friend says, if a person is in custody, it is not the case, Lordship. Lordship, kindly come to page 38. What is the collector saying?
38.
Collector is page 38, Lordship.
38 of the read?
Page read, Lordship. Page 38. Just I am reading Lordship.
Collector to କରିଛି collector has disengaged.
ମୁଁ କଣ ସେଇଆ କହୁଛି କଲେକ୍ଟର କରିଛି ମୁଁ କଲେକ୍ଟର ପାଉନି
Yes.
Lordship. And whereas Sri Vishwal JRS need Lordship, he is saying that I am in custody till 14/3/2022. He is admitting. After that, the order has been passed. And whereas Sri Vishwal JRS needs suspension from service as per OCA rules 1962, being detained in jail custody for more than 48 hours, and whereas Sri Vishwal is a contractual employee under the MGNS governed by the terms and conditions agreement contract of the OCA rules 1962, he may be disengaged from his contractual engagement on the ground of misconduct. Lordship, can next paragraph very important, Lordship. Now, therefore,
If
above
they're just one, if they're contractual employee,
Yes.
then how do they come under OCA rule?
No, they will not. They
he
won't
say,
come.
he is saying no.
No, he's
He is
not
saying
coming.
no. And Lordship, kindly the next part. Therefore, as per relevant
Yes,
para,
he's right. He's right. Not.
Not Kochi, Lordship.
I thought.
Then next page, last paragraph, Lordship. Therefore, as per relevant para of termination in letter number 681, dated 6/1/80 in the such a Panja letter, I am inclined to disengage. Lordship, kindly see the contents of the para. The para gives complete speaks step page 31, Lordship, of their counter. This provision speaks a natural justice should be given. Relying upon the same para, he stated he is passing a dismissal order. And the para 31, Lordship, internal page 31, Lordship, kindly again I am reading, Lordship, para 31.
Okay, give your written option, brother.
Lordship, before terminating, that is proceed there, Lordship.
I'll pass it.
Lordship, grateful, Lordship.
Written note. Well,
Why no, give.
2 days.
After 2 days again, I will investigate. By fourth, give the letter.
Lord, just can I make only one submission? I will not know. If at all my learned senior is placing on that notification where they're talking about the giving prior notice before taking any disciplinary action, termination, the very same notification also says that if at all any order is, if any of the GRS is agreed by any order passed by the collector, so there is an appeal. So he can't blow hot and cool at the same time. Now he will rely on.
Both of you filed it.
Yes,
File your reply.
There is a provision for appeal. He can also
File your reply.
So for appeal is, Lordship, only one thing I can say, Lordship, because we are happening in many cases. Lordship, my London friends, same submission is making in every case.
No, I think you
Take a Lordship,
file your reply.
Lordship should be in mind. And the Lordship is sending the matter to the director. The director is again sending the matter to collector. Again, actually, give instruction to
Do
the
one
officer.
thing, you file.
I'll file
Making
it.
a submission.
Both of you file your reply.
Your officer should know your.
Okay, next.
Vigilance
Item
is
number
appeal to
42.
claiming next.
File a written submission.
Both of you file.
May I pardon, my lord?
I'll pass order.
Lordship,
My lord,
I'll
pass
pass.
over item number 4, my lord, fresh admission.
Detailed go.
Pass over item number 4, my lord. Fresh admission, my lord. Simple matter, my lord.
Fresh admission. Issue notice.
Issue notice, my your lordship may
Pहिले
dispose of
fresh admission होगा.
dispose of within a stipulated time limit, my lord.
कौन?
My lord, one appeal is pending before the ADM Puri, and that may be disposed of within a stipulated
Appeal is pending since when?
My lord, 2022, my lord.
22.
Yes, my lord. And I have also annexed the appeal petition, my lord, annexure 1. That may be disposed of within a limited period. Within, as per your simple prayer.
The petitioner seeks for in direction to appeal petition pending before the additional district magistrate. Media Anganwadi appeal case number 2 of 2000. Said petition is pending since 2000. That kebe pending achi.
Pending, my lord, from my lord, order pending since 8/12/2022, my lord. 8/12/2022.
8/12/2022 report like that. Where have you written?
My lord, annexure 2, entire order sheet I am giving, my lord.
अच्छा अपने फाइल दे कुछ फाइल दे पेंडिंग अच्छा फर्स्ट दिन अटेंड लाइक
My lord.
8/12/2022 1 month from there. Next.
Oblige, my lord.
Item number 42.
42. 42. Nike. देख लो non-tribal In the non-appears for the petitioner, earlier version also. On 8 to 2022, non-appear. On 22. Next.
43, there's a pattern to mention item 35 permitted withdraw on behalf of Mr.
Item number
Tilochan Das.
35.
35 permitted withdraw.
Item number 42, I am for the opposite participant, my lord. Union of India.
42. Give your name.
Union of India, my lord.
Give
Vijay
your
Lakshmi.
name, madam. Union of India, give your name.
Vijay
कागज और स्लिप रे दे दियंतु
हाँ.
स्लिप रे दियंतु हम एटे कहंतु नि जा देवा कते दे देबे सीधा आई डोंट
Okay.
रिमेंबर हु इज अपियरिंग फॉर गुटे कागज दे देला सबटे सरी लगा नेक्स्ट
Item number 43.
35 ना
35 is permitted withdraw.
ओके
Oblige.
नेक्स्ट
Item number 43.
43 ऑर्डर शीट देखला
आसु गोटे सप्ताह पर आसु
नॉन अपियर से केई आस नॉट अपियर्ड and it seems that the petition already the proceeding are going to dismiss it. If any cause of action.
dismiss.
Next.
44.
44 within 1 minute. 44.
My plea, your lordship. The prisoner appeared +2 examination in the year 2010, your lordship. The prisoner appeared in +2 examination.
Which exam?
+2,
+2.
my lord. In the month of March 2010, your lordship.
What happened? What is the case about?
My lord, when the result was published, in his column mentioned that withheld, your lordship. Thereafter, he approached to the authority through principal, your lordship, to publish his result.
At a compensation?
My lord, after 7 years, they published the result.
Oh, you want compensation?
After 7 years, your lordship.
They published the result after 7 years?
My lord.
In fact, I'm appearing for the Council of Higher Secondary Education, my lord. May I allowed to appear through VC because I have some personal difficulties today.
No problem. But is it true, sir? After 7 years, you have published the result?
In fact, I have taken instruction from Council. His mark went missing from the college level. College end, the marks were not communicated to the Council. As a result thereof, it was
Which
withheld.
mark not communicated to the council?
One particular English subject mark, Lord, I have
That mark should have been in the council office because it's a board exam, the college has nothing to do with that.
from the center. In fact, the
For the exam center, from the exam center.
Right. It went missing.
But it is not his fault.
It is not deliberate. The council
Not
has
his
not.
fault, but he has suffered. 7 years. he has suffered.
That is correct, Lord, but then council is not responsible.
No,
deliberate.
no. Council has to be responsible. No, how can council be not responsible? I'll impose heavy cost on the council. You have to pay compensation.
Lord,
I'm
I'll
imposing
file.
5 lakh rupees for the council to pay.
I'll file a counter. That's me.
Yes,
Give me
please
some
file a
time.
counter. But
I'll
council
file a
cannot
counter.
say we are not responsible. No. It is-
Right,
it
but
is
I'll file a
responsible to the
counter.
council.
Let me come back with the documents.
Yeah.
With all particulars. Let's we'll consider this.
And council of the council of CHSC Odisha. 1 week time to file the details of.
Can it be little 2 weeks, Lord?
2
Can
weeks
it?
time, okay, 2 weeks time. You want to file counter?
Right.
The counter with detailed particulars. What's next? Is the matter on 14th August. 14th August.
Right.
But Mr. Dharat, please you tell your chairman, this is the council cannot abdicate its responsibility. They're saying that it has not come from that center. Student career is lost. That I can't spare. In fact, I will enhance it to 10 lakh, not 5. I will 10 lakh straight.
Ultimately,
Ready for that.
all right, Lord, let's we'll consider. Why should I
Yeah,
say?
please tell your chairman that they should be ready with 10 lakh rupees.
It's an institution running.
Yes,
with
7
students,
lakhs, sir. 7
10 lakh.
years, a student has suffered unnecessarily. Whether he has Whatever, he may be he may be doing something, would have done something, whatever. But is it not his duty? He is not, there is no fault for no fault of his, he is suffering. Why should he?
That requires a examination. Lakshmi.
Huge cost. I'm not going to spare it. Tell your officers. Next.
Item number 45.
May I please, Your
45.
Lordship? I am appearing on behalf of Mr. S.B. Jana. Your Lordship, this is a matter relating to release of insurance claim. Your Lordship, the petitioner is the owner of the vehicle. Was insured his vehicle, but entrusted one person, that is
You insured
Pramod
the
Kumar
vehicle.
Malik. Your
You
Lordship.
insured a vehicle, right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
And then what is the problem?
Then I have entrusted that vehicle to one Mr. Pramod Malik as a driver, and my vehicle was engaged in
What is the
Kalinganagar.
vehicle?
Your Lordship,
What is the vehicle about? What is the vehicle?
Bolero.
Bolero.
Bolero. Your
So
Lordship.
you engage a driver.
Engaged,
Okay, then?
entrusted a driver, and that vehicle was engaged in Tata Project
Transportation.
Kalinganagar.
Transportation.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, then?
Then, Your Lordship, the that Pramod Kumar Malik on 11/12/2013, when I tried to contact him, his both the phone were switched off. Thereafter, I filed an FIR, lodged an FIR before the Dubri police station, Your Lordship.
What
And
do you want? Come to the point straight.
I want to release my insurance claim, Your Lordship.
What, the vehicle has been lost?
Yes, Your Lordship.
He has sold.
He has sold, or
If he has sold, insurance company is not going to do that.
no, no, no,
Your
Your
employee.
Lordship, whether he has sold or not, I
What is the police report?
police thereafter there is no only FIR I have.
What is the police report? Police FIR, you have given FIR. After that, any re-inquiry, anything conducted?
He has been arrested, and thereafter I have no instruction about that.
If the person has been
Your Lordship,
arrested,
but
he got the vehicle, he got arrested.
Your
and then
Lordship,
why should
Your
the
Lordship,
insurance company
kindly have a
pay?
glance to Annex 3.
ତାହେଲେ ସମସ୍ତେ ସେୟା କରିବେ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକକୁ ଆଣିବେ ହାୟାର କରି ବିହାରରୁ ଆଣିବେ ଭାଇ ମୋ ଗାଡି ତୁ ମାସେ ଦି ମାସ ଚଳା
ସେ
ଧରିକି ପଳା
ବିହାରର ନୁହଁ, ସେ
ପଇସା ପାଇବୁ
ସେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଓଡିଶାର ହିଁ ଲୋକ, ସେ ତାପରେ କୁଆଡେ ପଳେଇଲା.
ଆଉ କାହାକୁ କିଛି ପାଠ ପଢେଇବନି।
Let the notice be issued, Your Lordship. Proper insurance ମୋର amount ଟା cover କରୁଛି. Your Lordship, kindly have a glance.
ମୁଁ ସେଇଥିରେ ଯିବିନି ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କ୍ଲେମ୍ ପାଇବା ଯୋଗ୍ୟ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା ନହେଲେ ମୁଁ ସେଟା ଆଗକୁ ଯିବି କାହିଁକି
ମୁଁ ତ
whether you are
premium
entitled to get the insurance claim
Yes,
or
Your Lordship,
not.
because I have paid my premium
You might
during
have
that
paid your
period.
premium, sir. Premium paying is not sufficient to get this claim. For every person who is paying the premium cannot
Your
claim
Lordship,
it.
only
You have to meet the parameters of the insurance company given
they
to
have issuing the so cause that why your claim should not be repudiated, that
Okay,
for
that's
lack
right,
of reasonable.
Right, they have rightly done so. If
the-
your driver
thereafter I have
takes a
given my
vehicle and
explanation,
goes
Your
somewhere,
Lordship.
how can the insurance company?
Thereafter
have
I have
responsibility?
given my
Had it
explanation.
been an accident, I can understand. Had it been theft, I can understand.
I
Your
have
own driver has done it.
I have lodged FIR, Your Lordship. I have shown my bona fideness. Then
Proceedings to go. Why is insurance company to be involved?
then that is all the insurance is covered for theft, Your Lordship. Why?
Cover it is theft. The theft, it is theft. Your own man. What theft? ଏମିତି କେବେ theft କୁହାଯାଏନି. This
But-
is a deliberate attempt. ଆପଣ ହେଇ ଭଲ
But I have no information about it, Your Lordship.
ସେମିତି
I have no knowledge about. Your Lordship, let the
insurance company ଆସୁ ଦେଖିବା. Insurance
Your Lordship, let the notice be issued. Your Lordship.
notice go to insurance company, but ଏମିତି କେସ୍ ହୁଏନି. ଭଲ କି ତମର senior କୁ କହ, ସେ senior ଆସି argue କରନ୍ତୁ, ତମେ ପାରୁନ.
Let the notice be issued.
Let your senior come and argue. ହେଲା? I'll explain him how it is not coming under. You don't understand. ଆଉ ଟିକେ ପଢ ଭଲ କରି insurance law ଟିକେ ଭଲ ପଢ ଯାଇକିରି. Insurance law ବହି ଆସିକି ପଢ ଯାଇକିରି. ଆଜି ଯାଇକି ପୁରା thoroughly ପଢ, ତାପରେ କହିବ ହେଲା. ମୁଁ right ନା ତମେ wrong ଜଣା ପଡିବ.
The Anganwadi, in the Anganwadi selection, the applicant is a permanent resident of Chichia 2 village.
What is the problem then?
The problem is, even if I have secured more marks, I have submitted the resident certificate which was valid as on the last date. They ignored that and they denied the right of consideration to me. And even if I secured the highest mark, lower mark person have been appointed ignoring me. When I approached the authority in appeal, appellate authority did not consider this the thing in proper perspective, including keeping in mind the government resolution which says a resident certificate is valid for 5 years. Your Lordship, kindly
Which of the year?
My lord,
In which year this
selection.
selection was there?
Selection, the advertisement was dated 24/12/2021.
21. So the news, Department of what is that? Revenue and Revenue Department circular says, resolution says.
Yes.
That it should
Your
have been
Lordship,
within 1 year.
no,
This should have been issued within 1 year.
no, that is what your Lordship, I am drawing your Lordship's attention at Annexure 7, running page 30. Clause 4. This is Revenue and DM Department. Resident certificate as per rules will be issued in connection with any government job as per conditions of the requisitioning authority, and the same will be valid for 5 years. And this when
the amendment.
My lord,
This is an amendment later.
when these
After that 16 resolution, it is amendment.
yes, my lord, and your Lords may kindly see.
Get the printout of this. Yeah, I will 16 printout.
Your Lords may
So what is the ground for your disqualification?
ground is only that I have not submitted this resident certificate which was issued within the 15 days from the date of advertisement.
Where is it written? Is it written?
Nowhere.
Is there any
No, my lord, that
stipulation in the advertisement
my lord,
that it should have been issued within 15 days?
my lord, there is no such stipulation, and over and above, your Lords may kindly see, I applied along with my certificate which was valid then. Wrongly they have ignored it. Your Lords may
When was your certificate issued?
my lord, my certificate, your Lords may kindly see, running page 16, that was issued on 8/9/2020, running page 16, Annexure 3.
And your
Last date of making application was 8/1/2022. 8/9/2020, 8/1/2022. It is within 2 years.
That's hold on. This was issued on 8/9/2020.
2020. It is valid for 5 years, as your Lordship have seen. But the last date of making application was 8/1/2022. Even then, my lord, I applied along with that certificate. Thereafter, I once again applied.
Last date was 8/1/2020.
2022.
2022. Sorry.
Within 2 years. Your Lordship have seen 5 years validity.
Okay, fine, understand. So this is the only issue.
This is the only issue. And your Lordship, one document your Lordship kindly see, running page 25, the selection process. Selection process, running page 25, your Lordship kindly see. Kindly mark 5th name in the list. 5th name, that is the petitioner. Kanaka Manjari Satnami. Your Lordship got it. In the middle, your Lordship will find my mark is 80.83%. And your Lordship may kindly see the person who was appointed, her name is at serial number 2, 77.83. And your Lordship make one more.
Just. The selected person is 2.
Serial number 2, 77.83. I have secured 80.83. Your Lordship
Patel selected.
Prabita Satnami.
Same
page, running page 25, serial number 2. Rina Chaudhuri, thereafter Prabita Satnami. Page 25, I am taking your Lordship.
Just. I am not getting that name.
Sorry.
Pranita Satnami. Okay,
Prabita Satnami. She was the selected person. She secured 77.83%. I secured serial number 5, 80.83. And your Lordship, against my name, the remark, your Lordship, that is the crux. New residents not uploaded, only old resident uploaded. So my resident certificate of
who is the selected candidate?
Prabita Satnami.
She is continuing.
Yes, she is continuing. Since 2022. I challenged it before the
Anybody appearing for?
No, nobody. That is first time.
Okay, issue notice. You have a good case. The present petitioner challenging the order passed by the ADM Kalahandi in Anganwadi appeal number 12 of 2022. The order dated 17/1/2023. Order dated 17/1/2023. Passed by the ADM Kalahandi, Anganwadi appeal number. Rejecting the appeal of the petitioner as Rejecting the applicant. The petitioner further asserts that the selection made by the selection committee on 18/6/2022 in favor of Prabita Satnami, opinion number 4, is illegal. The land council petitioner further submits that the petitioner has a supervening merit than the selected candidate, both in terms of marks as well as the validity of the residential certificate. The authority has committed illegality by rejecting the petition from the zone of consideration on a frivolous ground of invalid residential certificate. Issue notice. Issue number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, I will accept.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, I will accept notice.
4 is and the requisite for 4 and 3 copies. Yes. This is the matter on 18th August. Next.
IA notice in IA also.
Notice in IA.
Oh.
IA for what?
IA for the staying of that staying operation of that impugned order passed by the appellate authority. Appellate
Now she is continuing now. The other
he is continuing, but so far
finally it will be decided.
Yes,
here.
yes. You will also issue notice in the IA.
Notice, but that is not going to just
No, I
make
don't-
any difference.
I don't.
Already on is continuing.
Oh.
I did not be suppose there
My-
tomorrow there is going to be
But-
appointment. Then
But formally, I have to oblige.
no. It will go.
Oh.
Yes.
Item number 7.
Through this.
6.
Item number 6.
Your matter will not.
Land acquisition matter, my lord.
This is a land acquisition. Go to
That is
different
not
matter.
land acquisition, only for compensation for land acquisition.
Sir, land acquisition compensation is not the subject matter of this board. It will go to different bench. Compensation other than land acquisition is here, but land acquisition compensation
Sir, a division bench matter.
Go to DB. Okay. Next.
Serial
Item number 7.
Serial number 4 also was passed over. my lord.
4.
Disposal.
That is disposal. Next.
My lord, through this writ petition, my lord, the petitioner has challenged the illegal and arbitrary act of the opposite party UCO
Sir,
Bank.
illegal केमती हेगला आपण को just गुटे एक कदर illegal
No,
हेगला.
my lord.
You can say arbitrary, don't say illegal. All arbitrary is not illegal.
Illegal, my lord.
What is सिकिचंती illegal वाले जोड़ेले illegal.
No, no, my lord, how? My lord,
Just say
My lord, it's a dead person,
arbitrary.
deposit.
Don't say illegal. Don't say illegal.
Man, illegal. Why I'm saying?
Bilkul there is no illegality.
My lord, let me explain a bit. My lord,
Explain.
because that person is dead since more than 1.5 years. And they are continuing the account of that my dead mother since that day. Despite I have made a appeal to them or I have given a representation, given the death certificate, all those things.
Sir, just
You lost my direct
if you approach the bank with all these documents, the bank, why should any bank will continue? They are not foolish.
My lord, because for the last
You have not approached.
I have approached my lord.
No.
My lord,
You
my
might
lord,
have given simply a letter.
No,
No.
lord, this is one letter, my lord. Since 10
What do
years,
you want now? What
my
do you
lord,
want?
since the last 10 years, I am keep on writing.
Sir, 10 years, if 10 years you are keeping on writing and they are not doing, means your client is the biggest police on that.
No, because it's on court. How a bank can do such acts? I mean, years after years. And my mother, I mean, for the last 9 years, he was running after them. Now he sees dead last year.
Who are
now,
you? Who are you?
I am the part
Who
of.
are you for?
I am petitioner. The
petitioner, I know, sir.
The
That
owner of
person,
the house.
how are you related?
Part owner of the now after my mother's death, I am the owner, one of the owners. My other owners, my brother is there. He also died after my mother.
Just hold on. Your grandmother,
No, my own mother.
Mother kept money with the bank.
No, because they have taken the house on lease.
Oh, bank took house on lease.
It was
Okay, I
expired.
understood. Yeah, last time this matter came.
Yes, my
Okay.
lord.
So now what is your
Yes, my
response?
lord. Your lordship has directed me to take instruction, my lord.
How can bank, I
Yes,
don't
your
think,
lordship-
one thing I don't believe so
Yes.
easily.
My lord,
That how can bank will do that?
my lord, the petitioner has approved this onward with, my lord, suppression of material facts. Because earlier, my lord.
Let him
Yes,
answer.
yes.
Don't speak in between.
Well,
Please,
I'm not speaking.
please sit down, please. Let him continue. Yes,
Earlier,
please.
he approved this honorable court by filing WPC number.
Please sit down, sir.
No.
Yes. Chair achi na, siddhi mein achi chair. Yes.
Earlier, writ petition number 19412/2022, that the self-same petition filed this before this honorable court, which has withdrawn to approach the appropriate authority. And also, my lord, in the before the civil court of Bhubaneswar, there are 4 civil suits, and my lord, 1 FO filed by this petitioner is pending, my lord. And the order
Have you disclosed all these facts?
No, the writ petition which has been withdrawn, that has not been given certificate, my lord. And that apart, my lord, the suit which is pending for the civil court Bhubaneswar for injunction has been granted, and the civil court has directed to deposit the, my lord, monthly rent, and he is withdrawing every month. The joint account holder is there, his mother and he himself, and your lordship, I will show the documents. If your lordship will allow me, I shall file the detailed reply. He is withdrawing every month the rent deposited in the account, and the civil court directed to deposit without without fail. The bank is depositing the amount. That is injunction, and against injunction he has filed the FAO. He himself has filed the money suit before the civil court. He has filed the 3 suits, and the bank has filed a suit. 4 suits are pending, running before the civil court Bhubaneswar, and he has not disclosed everything. And also the writ petition which has been filed before this honorable court, and which has been withdrawn, that has not been given the certificate, my lord. And this
So
is
every month he is withdrawing.
Yes, my lord.
You can show that accounts detail.
Yes, my detail.
From which account he is withdrawing, and
Yes,
can you show that?
I have.
Chori upar se china chori. Within 2 minutes, your argument speaks volume about what is right and what is wrong.
Separately 3 ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆଯାଉଛି. Everyone is withdrawing. It's a joint property.
Everyone is withdrawing, and you are saying deposited in the dead person, blah blah blah, so many things. So why are you withdrawing then? File a detailed reply.
Yes.
I'll impose cost on it.
Yes,
I'll file a detailed reply.
Yes.
I'm not doing right anything. Let him file the reply.
Yes.
After filing reply, I'll see. Okay. Please file a detailed reply.
Yes.
Everything.
Yes.
I'll pass a detail on it.
Right.
Yes. Next item. Everything should come in your affidavit. And with proof. With
Yes,
proof.
yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
I'll impose every cost on you. We're not going to spare. Next,
Item number 21.
21.
Lords, they have to file up their counter in this matter. The last reason, Lord said that.
Sorry. What is the issue here?
Lords, you have challenged the invocation of bank guarantee once an award has been granted in my favor. My Lords has granted interim orders restraining them from encashing the bank guarantee, as the award is in my favor, and the 34 has been dismissed at the Visakhapatnam court. And irrespective of that, they have tried to encash.
34 in the Visakhapatnam court.
Yes, because they had.
Why have you come in 37 to this court again?
Yes, my Lords, that was the high order, the award was passed here in the Odisha High Court Arbitration Center. They took the liberty to file it in Visakhapatnam court. Visakhapatnam dismissed on ground.
Why Visakhapatnam? Why didn't you file
Yes,
here in Odisha?
because the.
Now, why are you saying yes, yes?
No,
I'm asking why.
I'll
What is
explain.
the reason?
Lords, Visakhapatnam court, because there.
I am asking if the award was here, the court 34 court was also here,
Yes.
or what 34 court was not available here.
It was available here.
Available here.
They
Then why
choose
did
the
you go to
liberty.
Visakhapatnam? Forum shopping.
I don't know. They have gone.
Why have you gone to Visakhapatnam?
Lord, it was a mistake. That's why it has
No,
been
why
transferred.
mistake?
It has been transferred to Bhubaneswar.
Where to go? Railway, had it been the common man, I can understand. Railway, you are such a big litigant in the country, and you are going to Visakhapatnam for your 34 court. Why Odisha 34 court is not available?
Actually, the property, it's a wrong act by the railway.
Wrong
authorities.
means that,
But
that
because
act
the
is-
subject matter is Volunteer division, that's why they moved over Visakhapatnam. It has already been transferred. I have given in my affidavit today.
Cause of action was in Odisha.
Yes, I've given in
Because Walter Division we went there.
East Coast Railway from
Then
Walter
you should
Division.
have go to Andhra High Court for 37 then. Why have you come here? Go for Andhra High Court. No,
No,
it
it's
can't
a
be
writ,
entertained here.
it's a writ petition.
Mine
No,
is writ, my lord.
it's a writ
I
petition.
have
Why,
filed this.
why writ petition?
I can. See, they passed, the award was passed, 80 pass hella. Someone 30 poile, they have filed a 1634 application.
Aଜ୍ଞା award pass ହେଲା ତାପରେ ଯଦି appeal ହେବ 37 court କୁ ଯିବେ ନା writ petition ରେ ଆସିବେ?
ମୋ bank guarantee ମୁଁ ଦେଇଥିଲି ମୋ କାମ secure କରିବା ପାଇଁ I am the claimant ମୋ favor award pass ହେଲା ଏମାନେ award ପାଇଲେ 34 court wrong court କୁ ଗଲେ bank guarantee ଲେଖିଦେଲେ କି encash କର Are illegality? I'm not saying the word illegal. This cannot be done.
That has been stayed by this honorable court, your lordship. And 34 is pending. Execution is also pending.
Which court stayed it?
Your lordship. Your lordship.
I have stayed it.
Yes, interim orders have been granted.
This fact has not been told to me.
On the first day itself, your lordship has passed this.
But it was not because he was not there. That's why this order has been passed. Because many things.
I also disclosed that. It's
He
a
is for the
mistake.
respondent. I am
but
the petitioner.
Mhm.
Today counter was filed after 1 year, my lords.
Why, despite this court order, why you have encased the bank guarantee?
No, we have not encased.
Huh?
No. He has been protected by your lordship.
My lords, after the award was passed, there was an attempt. When I got this court, seeing that award was passed in my favor and they're still going for encashment, stayed the order. The stay is continuing as of today.
Oh, that's only stay for.
Yes.
So just to stop their encashment.
Yes, the encashment.
Okay. Now are you?
My lords, I have got the counter now. Today, this
Just I'm surprised.
I don't think the counter is on record also.
No, I'm just not subject.
To file the counter. But this is not forum shopping.
Your lordship, but
You wherever you like, you file because you are Indian.
No,
Citizen, that's why
it's-
you can
no.
throughout the country. You would
it's
have
a wrong.
gone to-
Obviously,
you would
it's a
have
wrong
gone to-
aspect. I should
you
admit
can
it.
go
It's
to
a wrong
Andaman
aspect.
also. Why Visakhapatnam, Andaman kar dete. Andaman also there is a bench of High Court of Kolkata High Court bench. Why this court?
I had to run 9 times, my lords, to get the matter.
Unnecessary. After this award, you are just harassing the people. You should have filed.
We have also advised them not to do
But
proceedings.
your railway officers, they are the.
When the case was filed, before the interim order was passed, when he got the copy, immediately we advised that don't proceed in the matter because the Honorable High Court is.
Yeah, I'll pass a reprimand order. Don't worry. Your railway in future they will think 10 times before going to such forum.
Then
I'll
mistake
pass
this to
a
be penalized, my lordship.
appropriate-
I do admit that very fairly, but it was a wrong committee
Your
because
admission is not going to-
only because the jurisdictional issue
Admission,
they did the mistake.
Yeah, there is
Section
jurisdiction
42,
issue,
they missed sight
of
of,
course.
they lost sight of section 42 that it compels the to come before this, what is,
There
Bhubaneswar
there
court.
is a jurisdictional issue, of course.
Yes, yes,
Jurisdictional
Lord.
issue. If there is no jurisdictional high court functioning, I can understand. Everything is, jurisdictional code is
No,
not functioning, I can understand.
They have objected and we have already taken leave of the Visakhapatnam court. It is now transferred to Bhubaneswar court.
My lords, the first judgment in 2008.
Now transfer to Bhubaneswar court.
Yes, Lord.
Transferred
Come
and
over there.
dismiss city.
Ah.
Plaint.
We took the liberty to come before
Ah.
this.
Plaint given back. They came and filed in Bhubaneswar.
That is can be said as a
Yes,
transfer because
argued on
plain
But
was
now 34 is.
yes, before the Bhubaneswar court.
Yes, they didn't file a withdrawal
Okay,
application.
okay, you file a reply.
But they have filed.
Just now, today I'm filing.
They have not.
You want to file any agenda?
Just
When do you want?
ଆପଣ ଯେବେ ରଖିବେ ଗୋଟେ result
ମୁଁ ତ ଅକ୍ଟୋବର ରଖିବି ଯିବ
ଆପଣ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ କମ କେମିତି ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଦିନ ଡେଟ୍ ଦେବେ ସେଦିନ ଆଗେ
22nd ଆସ ହେଲା 22nd
ମୁଁ ରିଜଏଣ୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି
ଠିକ
much better.
Item
Imperative to
24.
continue with us.
24
My lords, I am appearing in the virtual mode, lordship.
yes, what happened? Anything, any progress?
Lords, the loan as per the pleading is 75 lakh 73,000, my lords, that we have sought instead of the figure that they are saying 1 crore 25 lakhs. So, my lords, I may be permitted to secure that amount only in 100% collateral.
150% ପଲିସି ସେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବୁଝେଇକି କୁହାହେଲା ସବୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଲା ଯେ ପଲିସିଟା ଅଛି
My lords, they have themselves written 100%.
Okay, just let him.
ପଲିସି ଏଗେନଷ୍ଟ ଯଦି ରିଜନାଲ ମ୍ୟାନେଜରଟା ଦବ
No, that he has to secure his job also. That's true.
ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି କଥା
The policy is 150%.
150%. ଏଇଟା ଅଛି ପେଜ ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ପେଜ 24.
Page 24.
That is the policy. ମୋ affidavit ର first affidavit 17/6/2023.
Oh, in your affidavit. Oh, sorry. Annexer kete?
Annexure A by 3.
No, no, B by
No, policy.
C by 3.
C by 3. Page 13 to Aram House.
Got
Page
it.
20.
Got it.
24.
So where is that?
Page 24, my lord, top. The
24.
total value of collateral security should be at least 150% of the amount financed by the bank. I talked to the regional banker, my lord. He told after Chanda Kochar and others, my lord, I have.
Mr. Samantara, this their policy is 150%. So
My lords, I do agree. My lords, they have filed a affidavit which have been supplied to me recently, where they say in para 3 of the recent affidavit, my lords, that the loan policy of Central Bank of India for poultry farm loans above 10 lakhs collateral security, surface compliant, immovable property realizable value minimum 100%. Or agricultural land and building with minimum realizable value 150%. My lords, I am just simply submitting, lordships.
Just a minute. Which one are you reading? Here.
They have submitted a recent affidavit, my lords.
What is the recent affidavit? This one, flag, why?
10th July, my lords.
Page
Okay.
5.
So where is that? Which paragraph?
Page 2, para 3, my lord, second
Okay.
paragraph.
Para 3. The pursuant to the said direction, the Honorable Court, the petitioner as well as the opposite party to had a discussion about the loan proposal, and while exploring all possibility to consider the matter, the benchmark set by the bank's policy is creating interest law and loan facility. The
So,
loan
my lords,
policy-
I am agreeable to 100%.
The loan policy of Central Bank of India for poultry farm loan above 10 lakhs. So this is above how much?
My lords, above 10 lakhs.
Above 10 lakhs. Collateral
Yes.
security, surface compliant, immovable property, realizable value, minimum 100% or immovable property. What property you have given?
My lords, the land and the asset which I will mortgage, where I will put up the poultry farm.
So that is
will have some value, my lords.
100% or agricultural land and building and minimum 150% or
Liquid security.
collateral security, surface compliant, 10 lakh collateral security. Immovable property realizable value of minimum 100%. You have agreed, sir. You have agreed 100%. You have agreed.
My lords, secondly, my lords, I have
No, you
myself-
have. See, you have written here. You in your own affidavit. The Central India for poultry farm loans of above 10 lakh collateral security, surface compliant, above immovable property. He's and the land property, whatever he has given, immovable property is 100% given.
And building with minimum realizable value of 150%.
Yeah, this is confusing. You have whatever written is
See,
confusing.
English to
You have written 100%, minimum 100%.
100% of agricultural land, 150.
No, 100% or agricultural land, or not of. That is or.
My lords, I will put up the unit in the land itself, which I purchased. And secondly, my lords,
You should people are taking money and going away for foreign country. Banks are not able to catch them. Local guy want to be entrepreneur, wants to secure money. Where?
The entire credibility of the petitioner is at stake.
No.
my lords, I will come to that.
If you
My
start
lords, I will come to
finding
that.
out credibility, then I mean entrepreneur.
ପାଞ୍ଚଟା loan ନେଇଛି ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ଯାକ NP.
My lords, in 2019, when I applied, I had a very strong credibility. My lords.
loan ନେଲେ
My lords, they are misleading statements.
Just. What do you say?
My lords, in 2019, when I applied, they have no figure against me. In 2023, they come out with figures that you have defaulted on these loans. And it is a perennial problem with the bank. 4 years they have been harassing me. And my lords, my pleading is specifically a loan.
You have not defaulted ever.
No, my lords, there has been some default. They have said I will have to verify. But my lords, my loan claim is only 75 lakhs on my own pleading at page 7 of my writ petition.
Your property
I will
value,
secure 75 lakhs, my lords.
property value is
My lords, I will secure 75 lakhs, 73,000, which is my pleading. I can't go beyond my pleading, my lords. 100% I will secure.
What is the property security you are giving?
My lords, the land on which I'll put up, the valuation will be done. If there is any shortage in the valuation, my lords, I will give collateral to make it 100%. I am not saying our man to 100%.
To consider 100% if
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ conduct ଗୋଟେ personal loan ନେଲେ
Sir, say
bank
I know.
the bank ରୁ ନେଲେ pension against 1,90,000.
No, that loan has been cleared now.
No.
Once I have to take instructions of
No, bank have to see the this entire, what do you call what value it is called? CB
Civil
value.
score, my lord.
Civil score. That civil score, that
Lords,
go
may I-
down now whenever.
Lords, may I submit one simple thing, lordships? If I am able to match their 75 lakhs, which loan amount I
No,
am.
that they are not saying. They are saying because of your past conduct.
Not my lord,
other-
past.
No,
They have
just.
brought in, my lords,
No,
they
they
have
are
brought in
just
January
hold on.
23.
Hold on. Because you have in the past, you have not you are not disciplined in your approach. You have not paid back in time. There is something. So that's why your CB
Then, my
value
lords,
is.
then my lords may come to page 8 of my.
You do one thing. You just you take instruction. What are the other cases? What is the status that you just get it? We'll see. Because bank the officer has to also be secure his job, na. He can't take risk. He can't risk beyond a point.
No,
Can't
I
take risk.
do agree, lordships. I will not go beyond a point. my
I
lords.
am trying to assist you and also
I
influence
tried.
the bank, stating that if a person is actually genuinely he is requiring, he should be
personally
helped.
talked to the
This is the fact.
Then, my lords, may I suggest-
But if your client is having other loans and there is a indisciplined behavior, then this time also they might.
My lords, may I suggest for a disposal of this matter, my lords, I will secure the loan amount of 75 lakhs in 100%. And if there is any outstanding, I am again making a statement, my lords.
Just you take don't make statement like that. You just take instruction from your client. That's
Then my
better.
lords may put it on third. My lords, I'll take
Third, I am putting it third. Just take instruction because otherwise,
Please, ma'am.
if there is indiscipline on the part of the client, then the bank will also think twice because the officer can't take risk. Na? He has to go by his policy.
I do agree, my lords.
Because
Lordships,
the
I agree.
officer is not his own property or he
My
can.
lords, let it come on the third. I will take instructions
Okay,
and
third.
physically implement.
Loan amount tarif dispute ଅଛି 1,25,73,000.
My lords, my pleading is 75 lakhs.
Okay, now no, he is reducing it to 75 lakh. He is
My
asking.
pleading is 75 lakhs, my lords.
ନାଇଁ ଆରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ଟା 1 lakh
My lords, my pleading in writ petition is 75 lakhs.
Now he'll reduce his the prayer for asking loan.
କ୍ୟାଶ ଟା କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା କ୍ୟାଶ ଟା ହଉଛି ସବସିଡି ଟା ପାଇ ସାରିଲା ପରେ ୱାଇଣ୍ଡ ଅପ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ଲୋନ୍ ଟା ସବସିଡି ଟା ନେଇକିରି ସେ ଚାଲିଗଲା ଆଉ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ କିଛି ହବନି.
I know that, sir. That's why I am also securing that. Bank should not go because public money. So that is also important. And he understands very well the public money can't be let go
No,
like
my
that.
You should be honest to the court.
Yeah. So let him take instruction. That's why I'm giving.
My lords, on third, let him
He will say something. The client might say something tomorrow. So that's why he should take the instruction. Okay.
Please, ma'am. If possible, my lords, I'll submit a written affidavit on third also.
Yeah, that will be better. Yeah.
One page affidavit I'll put.
Yes, because these
client
people also they have to secure their job also.
କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ କହିଲି I also
Anyway,
indirectly
I am trying to see if a entrepreneur is trying to get some loan, bank should help. When you are helping such a big people who are if once loan is taken, they will be on the road. Still, the bank is giving them loan. Do the bank ask them कि भाई आपका इतना लोन ले रखे होंगे, बस छोटा सा आदमी लेगा तो उसके पीछे पड़ जाता है.
बहुत सीबीआई ହେଇକିରି ବହୁତ
I know that, sir. I know.
My lords, is putting on
Banking help
third.
them well.
My lord, third. My lords, kindly accommodate.
Yeah. I'm okay. Third, let's see.
Oblige, my lords.
Okay. Because bank, you have to see so many things. Because I mean, both side. I'm saying both side. Okay, next.
Item 31.
This is
31.
the petitioner is a contractor. The workman suffered a injury, lost his life. You have given an advocate.
You are?
I have given the advocate before the commissioner, my lord, employee commissioner court, my lord. He did not appear. Then we went before him that you set aside the award and consider our case. We will file WS and participate in the proceeding. That application
What is
was
the case for today? What is the case?
my lord, the award was passed.
Which award?
The award under the Employees Compensation Act, my lord.
এটা আমার আছে কি এটা compensation টা employees compensation? Huh?
Employee compensation amount.
Workmen compensation
Sir, এইটা তো আসছে
হ্যাঁ এটা ডিবি
Employee compensation.
এটা ডিবি কো ଯିବା କଥା ଏଟା
ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା କହିଦେଲି।
লেবার কেস স্যার ডিবি কো ଯିବ
Employee compensation.
আর ସେ লেবার ତ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟି ତ ଲେବାର ନା
ডিভিশন বেঞ্চ
ডিভিଜন বেঞ্চ ଯିବ
Yeah.
ଆଉ ଏଲାନ କାନ୍ତି କି କଥା ସେ ଲେଟ୍ କୋ ମ୍ୟାଟର ସଫା ପ୍ଲେସ୍ ବିଫୋର ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଇଜ ସଫା ସିଏ
No, I am asking for opposition one.
Sir, I am not writing anything. Simply I am returning. We will go to the appropriate bench. Okay, next.
39.
39. 39.
Item number 39.
Yes, none?
No.
Ali Arjan is judge. Two thousand, matter.
2016.
What is the matter about? What is the matter? The OPDR Act कौन है ना?
এটা ইন্স্যুরেন্স এটা আমার 39 তো
39.
Non APS. ଚାଲିଛି କେତେ 16 ରୁ ଚାଲିଛି non APS for the petition civil petition or executive proceeding that we discussed. Next.
Item number 46.
May I please? On behalf of Amar Kumar Mahanti, my lord. Notice is not sufficient to opposite number party number 2. Notice is not sufficient to opposite party number 2.
Not sufficient. कितने 2019 से मैटर करा?
Yes, my lord. Kindly have a glance at noting, my lord.
We are for petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
Takes place steps. Now the petitioner to take place step for serving the copy of the petition on the opposite parties. List the matter on September 5th.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
47.
May it please, my lord. The petitioner was insured his health under the Star Allied and Insurance Company Limited on their floating up a scheme of Corona Rakshaka policy. He insured his health on 8/7/91 and it was Corona Rakshaka policy. Corona Rakshaka policy.
Okay.
So it was from 8/7/21 to 19/1/22. While the policy was in force, after 2 months he suffered from COVID-19. He showed his health
within the currency of the policy.
No, my lord. It is under policy was continuing, and during that period,
during the continuation of the policy, he suffered. Okay.
He suffered. He examined the capital hospital laboratory and got the certificate of COVID-19 positive. So, under the advice of the doctor, he got himself admitted in a empaneled hospital of the insurance company, that is Farm Hospital. He admitted on 19/10/2021 and he discharged after 9 days treatment on 27/10/21. He submitted the discharge ticket and all other documents concerning the medical report. The insurance company, without noticing the petitioner, repudiated the claim on the ground that the documents filed are all fabricated and this is a misrepresentation fact for getting the insurance.
What is the cover for Corona death? What is the covered amount?
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs.
Only 2 lakhs. So he has paid the appropriate premium as settled by them, but he was repudiated. Then he approached.
What is the premium?
4,356. My lord.
So they said it is a forged document.
They said that it is their team examined and they asked that is a fourth document, a fabricated document, and is under misrepresentation
What
of fact.
documents you have given to them?
My lord,
What documents you have given to them?
they have given a repudiation memo.
No. You have submitted before the insurance company. Which are the documents you have submitted?
Yes, I have submitted the discharge ticket of
Which
the.
they are saying that there is a false document. So discharge ticket is not there.
Discharge ticket of the hospital and all other expenditure bills were produced.
So that
Filed.
is expenditure part. This is for what? Claiming the expenditure or the?
No.
If that person died, na?
Some assured.
That person died, na?
No, the person survived.
Survived.
After getting
Oh,
a
for the medical expenditure.
medical
Oh, I thought
expenditure.
it died.
He submitted
I'm
all
so
the
sorry.
bills, my lord.
So you want that the medical expenditure to be, compensation, that should be
That is
reimbursed by the insurance.
my lord, that document was not supplied by the Star Health Insurance Company, so I am unable to speak it.
Okay,
And
issue notice.
without
Issue notice to
hearing
Star.
my lord, I am submitting.
Sir, I am
Which for
appearing
the-
through BC. I am appearing through BC for Star Health. Miller. Counter
Well,
has
I am
been filed.
So why are you not giving this
Sir.
thing, sir?
Yes, sir.
He is a policy holder. He has deposited the policy was alive, and why are you not honoring your commitment?
Miller, there are so many discrepancy.
What discrepancy
Yes.
number one? What is that? Tell me.
Yes, discrepancy as to the age of the petitioner in the
What is the age of the
policy.
petitioner?
Yes.
My
in
lord,
the,
age is not being put by the petitioner. It is working under a different person's head. So that is
No.
a
What was your age?
My age was 32.
Huh?
32.
32. As per your Aadhaar card.
As per the Aadhaar card.
Okay. So his age
My
was
lord,
32.
I'm telling
Miller, it is like this. Subject to your lordship's appreciation.
Just one by one, sir, one by one.
Sir,
So you
sir.
are saying discrepancy on age. What is
Yes.
that discrepancy?
Yes, in the policy, the age of the petitioner has been mentioned at 31. In the covered COVID report, it is 21.
Sir, can you tell you one thing? The most of the time your policy is down by your agent.
Yes, my lord.
Your agent, what they do, whatever document they don't see, they just keep asking, they put in that way. So very often they don't even compare with they don't verify the real age, real date of birth. They just simply they keep filling. I have seen, by my experience, I'm seeing.
I'm obliged, Miller. Your
Yes.
lordship,
So anyway,
here,
then
no, sir.
what other things?
Sir, here, there is a one document. In the
What is the discrepancy, sir? One by one. One age, then second.
no, that age varies in several documents in different. So
What
that
are the other several documents?
My lord, documents are
Sir,
CHC,
sir, in
outdoor ticket.
sir, in the
Sir, ticket, the doctors look right different age.
sir, in the proposal,
correction se doctor chidi jibo. ए भी
sir, in
doctor
the proposal form,
भूल लिखिଛନ୍ତି बोले हां चिड़ी जिवो तो तुम किसी करि परिबे I know understand. Okay, that's for age part, forget. Next, second part.
virtually that is the only discrepancy.
अरे सर किसी डिस्क्रिप्शन में पैसा दियंतु. I am passing order, you have to pay money. You can't go like that. Nothing, no discrepancy.
I have raised some legal point also, subject to your lordship's appreciation.
This is when the person is paying money, when their claim is at the time of releasing the claim, at that time all this discrepancy, all these things.
There is alternative remedy available.
No alternative remedy, sir. He will pay the money.
My lord, I am submitting.
You pay the money.
My lord, I am
He
submitting.
has already gone to. You have been to the ombudsman.
Yes.
Ombudsman, I visited
Ombudsman,
the
what did he say?
Ombudsman did not accept that the documents filed are fabricated. He
Ah.
did not find that.
Ah.
He shows the discrepancy in between the documents filed, that is insurance and the CHC certificate age, the laboratory test age, and discharge ticket age. These are just he has also not clarified what in which
Anyway,
document. In which
I am
document.
clarifying and I am granting relief. Okay. Okay. Order reserve. Give your written submission.
My
Order.
lord.
Necessarily. If this is not done, this approach is not good. A person is paying insurance kala bale to dodi dodi tapaku dodi dodi premium nei chalibe au dela algu e sab notangi
Sir,
e sab notangi chalibeni na
we are handling public money, we have to certain
that
laws.
you, I'm passing
Well-
order, if you are agreed, go to Supreme Court. I'm passing.
Then we'll comply with your lordship, sir.
Yes,
We'll
I'm
comply.
passing order.
We'll comply.
I'll give me. This is not done. You, whenever the person, when the people are paying premium,
Lord, that is
once
another
a while,
my
once
lord.
a while, some person will come and ask for this. Every time there people are not coming. Out of 90, out of 100%, maybe 5% people might be coming for claiming. Rest is your income. And when these people comes for claiming, you have a lot of discrepancy. Unnecessary.
My lord, there is also another identical
I
case
bowed
of
down my
payment,
head to my
which
lord.
is against this allied insurance, WPC number 1000,
Private insurance,
18,517. My
Yeah.
lord, 18,000.
How do you pass around? এটা কার? আচ্ছা, দেখি স্যার। ঠিক আছে।
18,000.
Order is up. Next. Next item.
Item 48.
Again,
48, 49.
again, similar nature case study.
They didn't do
Yes, my lord. I'm in VC, my lord.
49.
Item number 4. Yes, my lord. Item 48, my lord. I'm for the petitioner. My lord, here the petitioner is the husband and nominee of the policyholder who had died in the year 2020.
Similar nature.
During, my lord.
Yes, please go on.
Yes, my lord. My lord, when the policy is in force, the wife of the petitioner died. Thereafter, he approached the authority to releasing of the lump sum amount of 5 lakh. But he has not. He has rejected under Annexure 5.
What is the reason for election?
My page number 48. 48 and 49 is the observation of the ombudsman order. He has stated that, my lord, the insurance company, I have carefully gone through the background of the case and a relevant record available on file. I have also given personal hearing to both the parties. In the instant case, the policyholder complaint against the non-payment of hospitalization charges. The insurance company defends it, stating that as per their policy, hospitalization charges are not payable if hospitalization happens within 90 days of the taking of the policy. My lord, when I am taking the policy, there is no condition. There is no condition for 90 days, my lord.
So your policy doesn't specify any 90 days thing.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
suppose a person takes policy and tomorrow, if suppose misfortune, he meets with an accident, so he will not be covered. What kind
My
of
lord?
this is totally this is against public policy. This policy is against public policy. How can a person will know that he's insuring his life for what? For unforeseen event. And this the policy speaks that this 90 days, within 90 days, it can't be entertained. I have never heard of such policy. Is there any such condition in the policy?
No, my lord. There is no. There is no.
Why
no
the,
condition.
where from the ombudsman got this? From his
My lord?
fertile imagination.
Pardon, my lord?
The ombudsman got it from his fertile imagination.
Yes, yes, my lord. Fully, he has taken at the time.
He draws his salary from where? The ombudsman. Insurance company pays.
Insurance company, my lord.
Conflict of interest. There is a huge conflict of interest there.
Yes, my lord. In this case, notice has already been issued.
The insurance company should be, insurance company's ombudsman should be a person of
Insurance company.
impartial person.
Yes.
He should not take money from the insurance company. Rather, it should be paid from some the Consolidated Fund of India. No, it's not correct. Anyway, what the insurance company says? The notice is not been issued.
Insurance company.
So you do one thing.
My lord. Annexure 2, my lord.
You serve a copy.
I've already served, my lord. I've already served the notice that issued. Notice issued on 21/6/2023.
Nobody is appearing, na?
Yes, my lord. Nobody is appearing. And there is a noting, my lord, on deliver notice is written from OP3 with postal endorsement. No such address
do
in
one
this
thing.
address.
I'm allowing you to take over. अरे बंद करो ना फोन क्यों पे करते रहते हो. Okay, do one thing. The petitioner is directed to sub on the opposite party to the state. Pay the Dasti fee and shop through Dasti. Next.
49.
और दस्ती जैसे सिस्टम में नहीं सीधा सीधा दस्ती को देना कौन को दस्ती को
My lords, I filed my written submissions. My learned senior will today hopefully file his written.
Yeah, hopefully today. Why is government is always behind? Should always. Okay. Tomorrow.
In fact, we
By
are
tomorrow.
No, it is mine.
He has filed it now today.
You have already filed.
I have already filed.
You told it on his behalf. I thought you are filing.
No, I have filed it long back. Today, thankfully, he is filing it.
Okay. आज क्या ले 30th नहीं sorry 31st ठीक है okay ठीक है next
Item number 50.
Thank you guys, my lord. 50
My lord, 51, I am the opposite party number 13, my lord. The petitioner
Well,
last
petitioner-
occasion was not appear.
who is petitioner भाई
My lord.
मिशन शक्ति आपने कहा पाई
Last 13.
कहा पाई
Opposite party.
अरे भाई कहा पाई
I am the file the Green Tribunal case, my lord, for eviction.
you are appearing for whom
Or not?
private party
Private party.
say that
My lord.
mission shakti
My lord. He is the petitioner.
yeah I understand what is the government saying
Well, here, admittedly, the building was constructed
on
in Nayanjori,
Nayanjori
and this order is available before the Honorable Apex Court on section
yeah I know
22.
that. This is interim order
Yes, ma'am.
interim order I should not this
Interim order kind of.
you go and appeal
Interim is not. Due to the interim order, my lord, the authority not proceed the case.
final order
Final
so
order recommendation.
My lord.
you go to the Supreme Court for appeal
22 is 22, section 22. Green Tribunal.
read it
My lords?
read it
Yes, ma'am. Achi, achi.
See.
Lord.
everything is over phone okay now read 22
Yes, ma'am. Under section 22 of the Act, any person aggrieved by an award, decision or order of the tribunal may file an appeal to the Supreme Court within 90 days from the date of communication of the award, decision or order of the tribunal. My lord.
any person aggrieved so you are the aggrieved person
Yes, my lord. Sir.
by any award decision or order ho chahiye internal interlocutory order
Final order.
may
Final
file
order, my
appeal to the Supreme Court within 90 days from the date of communication so you go there
It's a final order.
Final order.
the final order okay the petitioner is since the matter like since the order passed by this the learned NGT Eastern Zone Bench Kolkata is an appealable order passed on date kete
My lord.
pass lana
Coach.
14
So,
14
I can-
11 2022
Yes, ma'am.
14/11/2022 passed by the National Green Tribunal Eastern Zone Kolkata in OA number 113 of 2022 shall era bana just for the time being I because urgency I had otherwise final for final I'm not going to do anything appealable learned कांसी पता OP number कहते हैं
Move 13.
OP number कहते हैं अपना
More 14. Move 14.
14 ଆପଣ ହଉଛନ୍ତି
I mean, state government.
State.
one
For
bit number 1
2, 3, 4, 5.
State 1.
State land comes the state as well as land comes the private opposite party. Number 13 submits that since the order
14,
passed-
14, my lord, 14.
14 is an interim sorry the order judgment sorry the
My lord.
dated 14/11/2022 passed by the National Green Tribunal Eastern Zone Bench Kolkata in way number 113 of 2023 is an appealable order under section 22 of the National Green Tribunal Act 2010 under that's section 22 of the National Green Tribunal Act quote kar do section 22 quote chala. Hence this court is of the view that this matter should be directed to the petitioner should approach the under the Supreme Court for by way of appeal. Hala? According to this court is not inclined to entertain this dismissed.
Mana any interim order?
No interim order.
Interim order thila.
Interim order is vacated.
Yes.
Interim order is vacated.
Obligation.
Approach the Supreme Court.
Obligation.